See, this should be the first and last you will dare touch my back. This should be the first and last. If you try it again, I'll teach you a lesson you take to the grave. It is not okay. It's on your... If you like this, I'm going to use this to break your head. I'm going to use this bottle like this. Use and draw you tattoo for face. If you like say bomb in your head, you didn't mad. You didn't grace. Now you carry. Hey, but see, where your madness stop, that is where my own starts. You better tell this girl if you touch my... I'm not going anywhere. Please, and now that she can leave. Rubbish.
Angela.
Mama.
Are you ready to talk now? Are you ready to talk now or not?
Mama, if I will talk to you, you have to bring down your voice now. You have followed me outside here and I don't want people to hear anything about us.
Now, are you pregnant or not? Huh? Angela.
Mama, see, promise me you will not shout at me.
Talk! Onasi, promise me. Promise me, talk!
Yes, I am pregnant.
Hey! Angela! Angela, you have finished me. You have killed me. You have killed me. Angela! Hey! Angela, now, who is responsible for your pregnancy?
Mama, you already know.
Eh?
Yes, now.
Hey! Angela, so, is this useless a flaky boy who left this village for 4 good years now? He came back to this village 4 months and he has not come to this compound to marry you. Is it the one you are telling me? Is it the one you are telling me?
Mama, please stop now. Stop, Mama, please. Mama, see, I've not told him. I understand how you're feeling, but I don't want you to feel bad. Once I tell him now, he'll come here and do the needful. He will bring his own money to see our own money and pay my bride price. He loves me so much.
Angela, you are getting to 30 years. 30 years old! If you don't know anything by now, what will you?
That is more reason I should keep this baby. That is more reason I'm not getting any younger, Mama. Please. He will come. He will come and see you people.
Okay. No problem. I agree with you. But 1 week. I give you 1 week in this house. 1 week. If he doesn't come to do the needful, I will throw you out of my house. I mean 1 week! 1 week! problem, Mama. Mama, keep on. 1 week!
Longest time, bro. To life, to friendship. Okay, you're not looking back. You're not looking back at all. You're looking like those fresh boys in Lekki. Great. Well, look at you too. You're doing nice for yourself, bro. Oh, see how big and beautiful your house is. Wow. I love the color combinations. Oh God, oh God, oh God. These curtains, they're really expensive, you know. Well, you spent a lot of money here. Thanks. Thanks to my ex. Nice. We actually did call before. Really? You know, that reminds me. I think it's high time you like me. Okay. Oh, my fiancé. Babe! Babe! Bianca!
Yes.
Please come. Come, my angel. Come. Yo, baby. What happened? Babe, stop. What?
Can't you see the glass fell off my hand? And it took me so much time to make this fresh juice.
Please stop. See, just go upstairs, okay? Go rest upstairs. I will make another one for you. Okay? It's okay, babe. Okay?
Please let it be. An orange and carrot juice.
Okay. Should I help you up?
Why? Orange and carrot.
Okay, I'll do that shortly. Sorry about that. No women, mostly when they are pregnant, bunch of trouble.
You sure didn't tell me you've got a pregnant woman in this house. And this is not, she's not the one I know.
Yeah, so the most important thing is that I'm happy.
I'm impressed.
Very soon I'll be a father. Alright. Yep, baby. The fresh juice is ready. I'll drop this one first. How is my baby doing?
What's this now? What kind of nonsense is this? What is this? What's the meaning of this thing in this cup? Eh? Why did you add ginger and pineapple? I was so specific. I was specific enough for you. So why is it so difficult for you? I requested for common carrot and orange juice. What's the meaning of this?
Sorry. Okay. I'm sorry. I thought you like it.
You thought?
Carrot, ginger, all those things, they are good for the baby.
You know what? I don't want this juice anymore. Go and get me pizza and milkshake. And be fast about it. Make it snappy. Before I lose my interest in it.
Please don't lose your interest. I'll go and get them now. Babe, where's my cat?
It's not you. It's the baby that just said I should taste small.
What is going on? The last time he was just saying it's busy, he will call me back. Now the number is not even connecting anymore. Hi. Jesus.
I know you remember that your days are numbered in this house. Mama,
I remember. Please allow me to have peace now, Biko. I don't want trouble. Allow me.
I shall allow you to have peace with pregnancy in my house. Or do not possible now? Or do not possible? So you better do something. You better do something. Call him, oh. Call him to come and take you out of this house. You better call him. Because I cannot allow you to give birth here. I will not allow you to give birth to a fatherless child in this house. It will not happen in this house.
Mama, enough. My child is not fatherless. My baby cannot be fatherless. The father is not dead. I told you to calm down, Mama. He will come and do the needful. He will pay my bride price. How can you say that my baby's father is dead?
That is how you used to talk. When I say 1, you say 10. Although we are this time, it will never be like that this time. Better call him. You better call him. Sort it out, because if you do not, I will help you and sort it out for you.
Mama, okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry if you do not like the way I spoke to you, but the truth is you're frustrating me. Please, Mama, now, allow me to concentrate. Just allow me to sort myself out. I will leave your house.
Sort it out. Sort it out, because your days are numbered. Very soon, I will show you the stuff I am made of. You go figure on them, boo.
Why is this number not connecting,
I thought so. In the kitchen or something.
I'm hungry. I want custard and fried chips.
Okay. I hope we have them in the house.
Yes, we do.
Oh, fine. Good. So just go to the kitchen and get yourself something to eat.
Being serious right now? Like, you are being serious? Jeez! You don't expect me to go to the kitchen and help myself out? Damn! Jeez! I should... Oh, please, don't even make me angry. Don't make me angry, please. This is why I don't like Nigerian men. Actually, back then in US, their men take care of their women, even when they are pregnant or not. And for goodness sake, please, I'm carrying your child. Please just go inside and make me breakfast, please. Don't even... Oh,
it's obvious you just want us to quarrel this morning. You know I'm late for work and you want me to go to the kitchen to get you something to eat? Can't you just help out yourself? I'm late!
Really? You are late? Alright, that's fine. We'll start to next then. You are late, right? No, it's
fine. Okay, fine. I'll do it.
Please be fast. It took you all the time in the world to make this thing.
Is that the thank you I'm supposed to say? Huh?
What kind of food is this now? What have you done?
What have I not done? Eh? You said you want food and I brought it.
Is it not custard and chips that you said baby want to eat?
Where is the ketchup I asked you to add here? You bought just custard, chips and milk, whatever. And it's not even spicy.
Well, you did not ask for those things. You don't ask for ketchup and you didn't tell me you want it to spicy.
Well, must I really say everything to you? Like I must tell you everything to do? Didn't you know you would have added spice to this thing? Or did you want me to throw up? Like, I should throw up on your face. You should have made sauce then. Anyways, the baby wants something else.
Okay, fine. So now, what does the baby want?
The baby wants roadside fries, beans cake, and hot sauce and pap, not custard. I repeat, pap.
Where do you think we can? It's too early for baby to be looking for all these things now. Eh? Do you know? Anyway, see, we have to go outside of town before we can get all these things you make mention of. Eh? Hey God. Anyhow, we are fine. I thought you grew up in America. They gave birth to you. So how come? But you don't even eat all this roadside food. All this.
What the baby wants? The baby, it's not me.
Which kind of local baby is this now? Eh? I can't. Baby want looking for akara and roast. Oh, let me go and get
No, baby. The baby likes to smell.
Yeah? You know, you got her pregnant, so you will have to face the stress. I know, but at the same time, things are getting out of hand. See, I am totally tired and getting frustrated. See, the rate at which she demands for things these days is outrageous. Unnecessary things. At the end of the day, sometimes I get those things, she will not even make use of them. This morning, I was already running late for an appointment. And the next thing she said was, I wanted to get me something to eat and I want to rest. I said, come on, I'm already getting it. She insisted I do it. I had to go get her what she wanted. I missed my appointment. When I got there, I was already late. And they said he has already left. He has gone to the airport. And the number wasn't connecting. What's case? See, I think it's better you get a house help. So that's just the easiest way for you to relieve yourself of all this stress. You know I'm capable of getting even 10 house helps. How much is it going to cost? I don't know. But I discussed with her and she said no, she does not want any house help. The only one she agreed is the one that comes to the house, they clean 2 or 3 times in the week, clean the house and go. She said she does not want anyone that will live with us. All she wants is me doing all the house chores for her, whatever she wants. Is that not wickedness? Huh?
You don't have a choice. You have to face the reading. You understand?
Oh,
so but not to worry. I mean, she's going to put to bed soon, Abi. And after that, you rest. Yeah?
Yeah, she's already 5 months gone. Bro, I can't wait for her to put to bed. So this cross, this heavy load I'm carrying, I'll finally drop.
I understand. Ah! Well, to be a man is not easy. Come on. It's getting late too. Are you checking your time? You better get going.
Yes, so before they will bully me at home again today.
You are reading my mind. You know your woman.
Oh!
No.
Man, oh, to be a mom.
You understand that?
What's wrong? Come on, talk to me. Why are you crying? Can you just talk? Why are you crying?
I think I have to go back to the States. I want to go and stay with my mom.
Why such decision? What have I done wrong? Huh?
You left me since morning. I've been trying to reach you, but your number was not connecting. And you're just coming back now. You left me so worried and unattended to.
Hey, come on. At least welcome or how did your day go will go a long way. Okay? Okay, for your information, I lost the business deal because I got there late. I was late. So I was so down and I had to go meet Ifeanyi to have some drink to cool off.
You're blaming me right now. No, you're really blaming me. You're passing the blame on me for something I have nothing to do with.
No, I'm not blaming you. I'm only telling you. Sorry, okay, fine. Sorry. All blames on me, okay? I'm not. I will never blame you. I'm not blaming you. Okay, please. Sorry. I'm tired. I have a meeting first thing tomorrow morning. Please allow me to sleep. I need to rest.
You and I know I can't sleep. Eh? We both know I cannot sleep. My leg really aches and I need this massage.
Please, you still have to understand. Eh? Understand that I need to sleep so I can go to work tomorrow morning. Please. And
you want to sleep? You want to sleep? You sleep.
Yeah, sorry.
Rubbish.
See, we are late for a meeting. That is why I'm here. Eh? I don't want him to be late.
You should have just called him on phone. Call him on phone or you wait outside. There's no big deal in it. Call him or you wait outside.
I should call him.
Yes.
Yeah, ready.
I don't like perceiving perfume fragrance and it's my condition. And it's not even putting on designer. He's busy polluting everywhere with his fake perfume.
Hey. You think I'm joking, right? You think I'm joking? May heaven help you if I wake up in this house tomorrow morning and see you in my house. This whole village will not contain us.
Mama, please now, just calm down. You're acting as if I'm not your daughter. The truth is I've been calling Kelvin and his number is not even going through. Wait now, let me get him on phone. I will leave your house for you.
You don't have sense. And since you lack sense, I will teach you. Look at you. Look at a grown-up girl, a full grown-up girl like you. You don't have sense. You don't know when a man is in love with you and when a man is playing with your senses. We are here trying to survive, trying on how to raise money to send to your brother, and you want to bring a unwanted child to me. A fatherless child in this house, it will not work. Angela, it will not work. It will not work. It will not work. I will not accept it at all.
Mama, I'm sorry. Everything will be fine. He will come back and he will pay my bride.
Let it be fine, oh! Let everything be fine.
Why did I put myself into Kakwa Problem Pro Max? Please come to my rescue. I don't deserve this at all. Ika Ugum.
Are you moody? What's going on?
Just that my mom wants to come to Nigeria.
What? Mama? Wow, great news. Like, good news. Good, great. Finally, I'll get to meet her.
She'll be so mad at me. The purpose of me coming down to Nigeria was for feasibility studies. I told you we were planning to establish a business here in Nigeria.
Oh, yes, you said so. I still remember.
So she wants to know all of that. And I think it's high time I tell her everything. Like, I need to tell her the truth. I can't keep hiding this, you know. One day she's just going to call me and tell me she's in Nigeria and then...
Hey, come, you don't have to worry yourself about that, okay? Yeah, I know your mom might be angry at you because you're pregnant. But listen, hey, I will talk to her. I know she's not going to reject us. I will tell her I want to get married to you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. You are my angel. You're my everything. I will tell her nothing will ever hurt her daughter. I'm going to cherish her daughter. I'm going to adore her daughter.
Alright then, let's see how it goes.
First class Hustling say go put you for trouble, oh. She go give you double, oh. Try, everybody say, how wahala no be here, she define trouble, oh. Speaking big grammar, her papa there for Yankee. Her mata no dey gree to talk. If you complain, I'm on a one chance. Anything we Bianca wants, now so you go give. Oh, oh. Bianca Americana, Bianca first class Ajibo. Bianca Americana.
No change. This city be quite expensive though. Just from junction to this place, 500 naira. Steve Osibo instead of Dolphin. Oh God, this Okada man is Shadariyama is very stupid. How can he drop me here? This is not even where I'm supposed to stop. He has collected my 500 naira. Who do I ask? Okay. Hey, brother, good afternoon. Please, I'm from the village, and I'm looking for number 15 Dolphin. The Okada man that brought me just dropped me here, but I know he's not here, so please direct me.
This is not Dolphin Street now. Is your Okada on Kolos or something? This is not Dolphin Street.
Just direct me.
Why will they come and drop you here?
Okay, direct me anyway.
See, what will happen is you are very close. You are very close. Just the next street by your left. You will see a gate there. The first gate, just knock there. That's the place.
Okay. God bless you.
I don't just understand from Okada. You will stay there. You have to drop you. They will not drop you here. Just imagine.
See,
Madam, don't push me down.
What is it? I should be the one asking you, what is your problem? I told you that I'm here to see Kelvin, and you're stopping me from seeing Kelvin. Alanapoge, I want to see the absolute love of my life.
Which one is love of your life? My boy is happily married though.
Let me even ask you, what is the number of this place? Is this not number 15 Dolphin?
That is number 15. But number 15 person is married. I don't know you. Who are you?
You are very stupid. Go inside there and tell Kelvin that Angela, the love of his life, is here. His only true love. I'm out to go down. Go and tell him. I know he's not expecting me, but if you tell him once he hear my name, Chakaram Network or Magnet, go and call him.
Madam, I don't know you. Please, I don't know you. Quietly get out.
Kelvin!
Madam, bring down your voice. Bring down your voice.
Kelvin! Never, baby. Honey! Who are you?
Don't know who is he. Madam, who are you?
Honey! Who are you together? Kelvin!
Madam, come back for your bag. Who are you? What is going? You, who are you?
Honey, what's going on?
Why are you going? If Ronyo Shiko kidnapped, I'm asking you. I should be the one asking.
What are you doing here?
What is going on here? And who is this lady? What is going on?
Honey, I need explanations. Explain to me what's going on here. Because it's obvious you both know each other.
That's my love.
Who's your love? Huh? Babe, listen, I can explain, okay?
You can explain. You really think you can explain? A strange lady walks in here, calling you her love, saying she knows you, and all you can say is you can explain. How convenient is that?
Babe.
Damn you!
What's going on? I am asking you. What's happened to our love all of a sudden? Last time I checked, we're not having issues. If I call you, tell me you call me back. If I call you, say you call me back, that you're busy. I am there doing understanding girlfriend. And
What is not going on? No, tell me, are you a child? Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? You kept calling me, I don't even pick your calls, I don't return your calls, you send me messages, I don't reply. Is it not obvious that I'm not more interested? How else do you want me to say it to you? What is wrong with you? Are you that dumb? It is obvious I have someone in my life. you anymore.
So... So, you are married.
Please, I beg you in the name of God, please. I'm not lying to you. See, we had something before I traveled out of the country. Yeah, she was my girlfriend back then. But when I came back, I lost interest in her. I let her be. See, you are the one that I love. I would do anything to be with you. You mean the whole world to me. Please believe me.
You really think I can stay under the same roof with that thing? That thing I don't even know where she's coming from. No, it cannot happen. Never!
You have said it and it's final. It cannot happen, never. She will not stay in this house. She is not staying. She's going back to the village where she came from. She's a village girl. Please believe me.
You really think I would believe all these lies you are telling me? No, you really want me to believe all this cock and bull story you're talking about? No, I can't. I can't.
Please, you have to believe me. I'm not lying to you. I can't live without you. You are my heaven and earth. You are everything to me. You mean the whole world to me. How can I survive without you? I am not lying to you.
Please.
I am being honest. You are the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. You are the one I want to have. The mother of my children.
It's enough. I've had enough of your rubbish and nonsense, and you just get out. Leave. I want to be left alone. Go. Shoo out. Shoo everywhere.
Shoo. Angela, now listen to me. You cannot stay with us in this house, okay? I hope you've seen for yourself. Bianca is pregnant for me and she does not want you in this house. We do not want you to stay with us in this house. Huh? So, see, you should have even gone back this night, but I don't want to be mean. So first thing tomorrow morning, you're leaving this house. You're going back to the village.
I am pregnant.
What did you just say? I didn't hear you clearly. What did you say?
You're not deaf. I said I am pregnant. You know what? My mother warned me. She told me to stay away from you. She told me you're heartless. But you kept on assuring me that you love me, that you're not going to do anything to hurt me. Now look at what you're telling me. Bianca. Gonna be Bianca, animal place sorting. What is Bianca?
What are you saying? Pregnant? You're pregnant. Pregnant for whom? Hey, listen. If it is pregnancy you want to use as a format to pin me down, it will not work.
It will work. It will work. It must have to work. Yes. My mother has chased me out of the house. If you want to kill me, better go ahead and kill me. It's even better than this miserable life I'm living. You are saying this to me after 4 good years of my life. 4 years! My God, you are mean. I am not living. The only thing that will take me out of here is if you kill me and take away my corpse.
Hey, Angela, that is enough, okay? What is your problem? Did I ask you to get pregnant?
How insensitive can you be? Did I get myself pregnant? You never asked me to get pregnant, but you made love with me without protection. What were you expecting? You thought I'm not fertile or what? The earlier you show me my room, the better for 2 of us. Because I'm not going anywhere. See, I cannot leave this house. I cannot afford to go out there and be stranded. I told you my mother had already chased me out. My baby daddy is still alive, living in a mansion, and you expect me to go and be roaming the street like a mad woman without destination. It's not possible.
Who's your baby daddy?
Are you not my baby daddy?
Which baby?
This is what I get after all the promises, yet you broke my heart. Yeah. This is what I get. I keep giving you my all, and you keep breaking my heart. Oh, you deceived me.
What are you still doing here?
I should be the one asking you, what exactly are you doing here? Eh?
I repeat myself. What are you still doing here?
Now, Germonte, listen and listen very good. You see this house? It belongs to me. I am a bona fide member, certified member of this household. Kelvin is my boyfriend. We have come a long way. Abino like you cannot put separation. Why don't we go? You know when you do some things in this house, I don't even blame you. I blame Kelvin because he's the one that brought this embarrassment upon me. If he had done what he's supposed to do, you will not be here spewing rubbish, talking nonsense. Respect yourself.
You're ranting, you know that? You're ranting because I will take this from you. Help me! Help me!
This is how madness starts. You don't need to ask. Idiot. Oh, Kelvin. It's Kelvin that brought all this nonsense upon my life. I never love. It's good as here.
Kelvin! Kelvin! What's that guest doing in this house? Kelvin, your strange girlfriend, of course. What is she still doing in this house?
Oh, is that why you hit me so hard? Babe, come on. Listen, you have to calm down, okay? Calm down. You're fine. Just relax. I'll tell you the truth.
What is the truth? What is the truth? If you better start talking, because I will break your head. Start talking. What is the truth?
It's fine. I spoke with her last night and I told her she'll be leaving this house this morning. And the next thing she told me she's pregnant for me.
Hey, God, goodness, Lord, Kelvin, you've been cheating on me with her.
No, I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating on her. Okay, fine. I just bashed into her. The next thing, she started talking to me. I felt pity for her. She said I dumped her. I left her. And the next thing, she started seducing me. I didn't fall for her, but one thing led to the other, and we just did it once. And now she's telling me she's pregnant for me. I think that girl wants to use pregnancy to hold me down.
Nonsense. Kelvin, you are talking rubbish. You are saying nonsense. In short, I don't even know what you are talking. Kelvin, you better look for a place where you will put her to stay. Because she cannot stay in this house with me. And that's a period. Rubbish.
If you have to relax, we'll apply caution to this, okay? Hey. Oh my God, what have I gotten myself into? What is all this? Babe! How could you do that to me? I thought you were my best friend. You are a snitch!
Take it easy, man. What is it? What is wrong?
What is not wrong?
What's all this? Like,
why will you give Angela my house address without my permission? Why? When you know I have a pregnant woman in the house?
Wait, what? Angela is in your house? Bro, I have not seen Angela. The last time I saw Angela was when we went to... We went there together now to visit her. That was the last time I saw her. You shouldn't even ask me for your home address. I'm telling you. Wait, Angela does not even have my number, so how is that even possible?
So if you did not give Angela my house address, who did?
Bro, there are a lot of people in this world now. Why are you talking like this? Are you a child? There is so many people that even know you that you don't know. So it's possible she must have gotten your number from or your address from somewhere else.
Right, if you're telling me the truth, then I'm sorry for accusing you wrongly.
What for you?
Man, bro, as we speak, my house is on fire. The 2 pregnant women are turning everywhere upside down.
Wait, I don't understand how.
Yes. The last time I went to the village to go see Angela. Yeah, I actually went with the intention of going to the village to break up my relationship with her. But when I got there with all she was telling me, her mother has been bullying her, cursing her, because of abuses and everything on her, that I'm a bad boy, I'm going to dump her, I don't have her interest in my heart, that I'm going to use her and dump her, I'm not going to marry her. And she promised her mother and told her mother that I'm not one of those kind of boys, that I'm different. And she told her mother I would definitely come back and get married to her and all. So out of pity or everything she said and all, I just called with her, felt pity for her. And now, no matter but not be firewood now. Like play, we did something. And now she's pregnant. Is it my fault?
You're not being truthful to yourself. You are not even truthful to me, your friend. Kevin, you're not truthful to me. Okay, the last time I traveled, only to come back to meet a pregnant woman in your home. I was very shocked. Did I know you guys were dating? Did I know? Did you tell me?
Must I tell you everything? See, my father was a poor carpenter. I grew up in a hard way in the village, and I wouldn't want my children to do the same. So I have to invest in their future right now. So listen, Bianca is a rich girl. She's from a rich home. She was born and bred in America. Her both parents live in America. California, one of the most expensive cities in America. Huh? So you see that I'm trying to invest. By the time she gives birth to my child now, he's going to be American. He or she's going to be an American citizen. Automatically, I will be an American citizen. And this is what people travel to abroad to get in 10, 15 years. I'll just get in a platter of gold.
So, can you listen to yourself? No, have you been listening to yourself? Kelvin, I am disappointed in you. Yes, no, you are now sounding like a gold digger. I used to feel women are the ones who usually, gold dig. But now you are sounding like a gold digger.
So listen, I'm not a gold digger, okay? And if I get married to Angela, it means the whole generation, the whole village, their whole family's problem will be on my head. And I'm ready to chest that. I'm too young for that. I'll go bankrupt.
Look at the way you're thinking, Kelvin. Why are you thinking like this? Why are you thinking like this? So what happens to establishing her? If you establish her, what will happen? Don't you know it is when you establish her, that is when you will relieve yourself of some liabilities.
Why going through that distance? Establishing somebody when you already made. Guy, I'm not here for blame. So I'm here for solution. Give me solution.
Okay, I'm sorry, I don't have a solution. You can find your solution somewhere else. I'm trying to advise you as a friend. You are here for solution. You are I never knew you as a good guy. Are
you? If not that I know you very well, I'll think you are beefing my success. You are beefing my investment. That girl is a white girl, no? Can't you see her eyes? Can't you see everything? She's not even half caste. She's pure caste.
Okay.
You see, how do you know pure caste? When they are looking, they'll be shaking their.
From somewhere. Hey, it's happening. Okay. Thank God you are back. Since you left, they have turned your house upside down.
Who?
Yeah? Who? They have turned your house to a land and the lack. Second World War. Who? Madam 1 and Madam 2 could not allow the neighborhood to rest.
So what did you do?
Eh? Why did you stop them? What and what did I do? How can I come inside the catastrophe? Okay? What and what did I do? Do you think that this one is a two fighting, no opener? There is opener inside. The catastrophe could not allow me to separate them. I cannot do anything. Huh? Please go and take care of them.
You must leave this house. I am not going anywhere. Is there something wrong with you? Is there something wrong with you? Leave my bag alone. Leave this house. I'm not going anywhere.
What is going on? Leave the bag. What is going on? What is it? Huh? I'm getting tired of this rubbish.
I'm not going anywhere. That is my own. I am not living here. This girl does not have any right to go and bring my bag from my room and tell me to leave. And after Romia, I'll go and also. You better ask her to leave now. See, this should be the first and last you will dare touch my bag. This should be the first and last. If you try it again, I'll teach you a lesson you take to the grave. It is not okay. It's not your... If you like this, I'm going to use this to break your head. I'm going to use this bottle like this. Use a drawing tattoo for face. If you say bomb in your head, you didn't want. You didn't grace. Magboro, you carry. But see, where your madness stop, that is where my own starts. You better tell this girl if you touch my... I'm not going anywhere. Please, and now that she can leave. Rubbish. Talk to your mad dog. Talk to her. As a matter of fact, I'm not going anywhere. I am a bona fide member of this family. When she's done ranting, she'll come and take my bag back to my room. I'm not going anywhere. I don't blame you. You caused all this nonsense. This is the love you promised me. Okay? This is the love you promised me, Kelvin. So
Bianca Americana. First class
Bianca, what has come over you? Since when? The fact that she's a village girl and you're having an argument with her doesn't make you a village girl. Since when? How come? Carrying bottles, speaking pidgin? What is all this?
I'm a Nigerian. For the fact I base abroad doesn't change anything. If that girl does not leave this house in peace, she will live in pieces.
Alright, fine. Please. I'm sorry. Okay? Put the blame on me. I caused everything. But please just give me a little time to settle everything. Allow me to settle this. Okay? Please.
I'm so disappointed. Honestly. I'm very disappointed. See, let me tell you, if not because of this pregnancy, you see this rubbish engagement of yours, I would have called it off since. Rubbish.
With no evidence. Try every day na feelings. You don't send anybody. This kind of life you dey live. One day.
Oh.
Hi, honey.
Oh. You didn't tell me you were going out today.
Oh. Actually, I don't feel safe anymore staying in this house all alone with a local champion of yours. So I decided I'll go out with you today.
Oh, what? That would have been so lovely if my day wasn't going to be busy, okay? See, today is going to be so hectic for me, okay? I have a busy day. So I don't think it's good for you to go out with me because I'm going to get so busy. I won't have your time, okay? So with your condition, all you need is to rest. Stay at home and have some good rest.
Please, spare me all this bullshit you're talking about. You're saying stories that are not even pleasing to the ears. I'm going to walk with you today, and that's not period.
Babe.
See, today, it will not work, oh. Get
Kevin, I see you lied. I see your child. You see today, you will not leave this compound without me. Enough of this rubbish. I've been tolerating you people in this compound. I'm not a talk a lot of calm down. You see today, you and this Utocha will not live here. If you want to go to the office, we'll go collab. But for you to carry her and leave me here, dump me like refuse as usual, oh mama. Nobody is crossing this gate. Is it that we go collab or there is no going to office today?
Thomas!
Ma?
Push this thing out of the gate. Now!
Madam too.
You know you. Come. Try me now. Come.
Can you see
close.
Madam, can you see
Well, we will super Ghana. You think I'm scared of you? All the kids share the other my Okay, you come now. Come. There is, you see that key? Every zone is very good.
Thomas.
Yes, sir.
Open this gate, I want to go to work.
On the way. He cannot open the gate.
Sir?
He cannot. I have the key. And where I kept the key, nobody can collect it till I release it.
I don't have the powers.
That's the standard.
I don't have the powers, please.
Thomas, what is wrong with you? I said get that key and open that gate. I'm running late.
Kelvin, if you know you're a man, come and get the key. Enough of this nonsense. What is all this? Ekube, I am the bona fide owner of you. I'm the CEO here. Now, you developed this habit of every day. You will carry her. You people will go to office. You go to swimming pool. You go to restaurant. Am I Jabez? I'm a good job, Nanya. It will not happen. Thank God I'm properly dressed for office. Like this. If you want us to go, she's wearing slippers, I'm wearing slippers. My pretty skirt is properly washed. If you want us to go, we go collabo. No collabo, no going. I will not open this gate for you. If you want to kill me, you kill me. I will not open it. Nonsense. I'm not against polygamy.
That's my foundation!
Open that for me.
He does not have the key.
I will break it. The door will do your job. Open that door. Calm down. What happened? I don't know.
How wahala no be here. She define trouble. Oh. Speaking big grammar, her papa there for Yankee. Her mata no dey agree to talk. If you complain, I'm on a one chance. Anything way Bianca wants, now so you go give. Oh. Bianca Americana, Bianca Americana, Bianca na first class achieve. Bianca Americana, Bianca Americana, Bianca Americana. Her silence go put you for trouble, oh, and she go give you double, oh, chai. Daughter of billionaire with no evidence, chai. Every day na billings, you no send anybody. This kind life you dey live, chai. One day or gako, mana anything way Bianca wants, na so she go get home. Bianca Americana, Bianca Americana. Bianca na first class achieve.
Do you know I'm still surprised that you and Bianca are still together? Why are you surprised? Yeah. She's carrying my baby. My child. Yeah? And don't forget, she lives in America. Moreover, if her parents get to find out she's pregnant for me, even when we're not married, it's going to be a problem. They will frown at it. And for Angela, Angela is pregnant for me also, and moreover, her mother drove her out of the house. She has nowhere to go. She needs to stay with me. You see, these two women are carrying your child. You better find a way to restore peace in your home. I don't even know how to do that. Serious. Okay, this is what I suggest. Why not, take Angela somewhere. You have the money, set her up, get her a place, like rent her an apartment and just give her some money to, sort herself out. Do you know this thing you just said? I suggested it to her and she refused. She said no, she's not going anywhere, that she must stay in my house and give birth to my baby in my house. Wow. Then you are in for a big mess. Yes. Serious one. God help me. Serious one. May God help you.
Do you know sometimes I just get so confused. I just feel like running away from my house. Running away from these two women.
Just like that? Yeah. It's terrible.
What are you doing with my underwears?
I was just trying to pick it up and hang
Pick it up from where? I was seeing you. I was seeing you from inside. Oh, you want to take my pants to the native doctor, yeah? You want to take it and go and do juju?
Native what? I was just trying to hang your...
Shut up and start confessing what you're doing with my underwears before on top work. Do you want me to kill you? What are you doing with my underwears?
I was just trying to pick it up and hang it now.
If not for one thing, if not for... I would have... Wag you shinaja. Stupid girl. Abino. Aya chakwa ezigbo ndị ọcha aya agụ. Idiot. I cover you with the blood of Jesus.
Bianca. What has come up? Since when did you become this troublesome? Eh? Now tell me, why on earth will you go to somebody's pants and start smelling it? Is it food? Do you want to eat it? Bianca! Yeah? Sorry now, please, sorry, stop crying.
It's my fault! It's about the pregnancy craving!
Pregnancy craving? To start smelling pants?
I was just enjoying the
Fine, sorry. Sorry now. I'm sorry for shouting or for scolding you. Please. But see, I want peace in this house. Eh? Avoid her so she can avoid you. Please. Wait. Please stop crying. Please, you are stressing this baby, please. Please now, please. Yes.
I want to ask you something.
What is it?
You know, since I came to this house, you have not been meeting any of my need, both emotional and physical need. You're just behaving somehow. You're treating me like a total stranger. So that's why I'm here to ask you. If there's anything I've done wrong, let me apologize.
Do you want to stop me from going out just the way you did the other day again?
No, I'm just asking you a question. You're just acting as if I'm irritating you.
But you are! Of course you're irritating me. Okay? My friend, will you get out of my sight?
This is what I
Disgust. Shoot me five. Knock me down.
You broke my heart. Yeah. This is what I get. You my all, and you keep breaking my heart. Oh, you deceived me, took advantage of me, and messed me up. And I'm still here for you. You deceived me. You've been cheating on me. Don't know what else to say. People come out. Iti wala mobi. Iti wala mobi. Now I'm living in pain. Hey, world. People come out. Baby, oh. Iti wala mobi. Baby, oh. Iti wala mobi. Baby, mo.
I don't even know how I brought this upon myself. Every blessed day they are fighting. It's either fighting, shouting at each other. Yeah, I'm not tired. I'm not gonna lie.
But what were you expecting? Were you expecting for Angela to be scared of Bianca? No, is that what you were expecting? Of course, it is going to be from one fight to the other.
Now, I can't send her back to the village. I can't even tell her to leave my house. And that's exactly what Bianca wants.
Sincerely, I feel for Angela. Yes, I feel for Angela. Yes. Because, I mean, after all the sacrifices she made, she's now fighting for a space in your life. It makes no sense now. It makes no sense.
What are you talking about? Are you saying this now to make me feel more guilty?
I'm not trying to make you feel guilty or anything. It is the truth. This is the simple truth. I don't know if you're getting it, but that's by the way, please. Just go and get the proposal so I can take it to our investors. You understand? So our business can commence. Because it's obvious that this fight between these two women in your house is affecting business. It's affecting what you are supposed to do with, you know, with this our investors. It's affecting it. If you know you're not serious about this whole thing, just let me know so I can go and handle it alone. Or better still, look for somebody that is more serious to do business with me. I don't like this now.
What kind of talk is that now? Guy, but you chill now. Are you threatening me or what?
See, I don't even have time for all this. I have something that I'm doing inside. You understand? So let me just run back and, you know, continue what I was doing. Please try and see how you can be able to get more serious with work, because what you are, you know, this whole thing is not working. It's not working. Just try and get more serious with work, bro. You're not even helping matters for me. I play myself my boy before. I don't know what this stuff is like. You deal with that. Let's see.
What is going on? I'm asking you what is going on. What is going on? Why did you take my food? Who asked you to touch that food in that pot? Who gave you the order to do so?
I'm still saying my money in use cooker. Yeah?
I know it's not my money. You can as well get money from Kelvin and cook your own. This should be the first and last you ever touch my food without asking for my permission. Inanya, I know you cannot cook azur or gazu, but don't touch my food without my permission.
See, it's not because of pregnancy cravings. This food is not even sweet.
And you're still eating it. You think you're the only one pregnant? You're deceiving yourself. I don't want to talk too much. But don't you ever touch my food again. I can see you are enjoying eating from the table. So, enjoy your meal.
I will sue you to court for this. Rubbish. If not because of this baby, because me I'm pregnant, who will say I'll be eating this thing that is saying boy, you won't bomb. Just be managed.
So I have a begin the leave. Come here, come hide. This is my neck.
Yes, ma'am. Thomas, who is she? Madam, who are you?
Oga, she said that she's Madam Mom. That is why I allow her.
Yes, sir. I'm a begin with this. Now my daughter be born.
Welcome. Here comes the in-law.
What is my mother-in-law? Who is my mother-in-law? Bianca, what you talking about? You know her?
I don't know. Do I know you from somewhere? So, are we related or something? Because I don't remember seeing your face.
Oh, then you do? Hey! You don't know me, Mama? What? You don't deny me. No. In the position of your grandmother. Now you deny me. Now 1 year ago, when you leave village 1, you won't come from village since 1 year. We don't see you. We don't know your whereabouts. I don't suffer. Before God go carry me, and in grace go carry me, I can't come in. Hey, they deny me, say you don't know me, your mama. You don't know me again. What are you?
But will you please just stop? Just stop! My mother-in-law lives in America, California. So what are you talking about?
Which California? I can't from Lagos. Now I'm getting this. Which America? Which California?
Bianca. What's she talking about?
I don't know. Do I know you? Who's the Bianca Joe? Why did you open the gate for her?
Madam, she said that she's your mom. That's why I have to let her in.
What is going on? What is going on here? Who is she? Hold on. Mama, please. Are you telling me that you are her mother?
Mama, pikin be this now. Even the sister of Papa resemble my father. You go pikin. My beautiful Ada. You don't tell her. Stop your mama.
Bianca.
Yeah.
Bianca, hold on. Is she the mother you said lives in America, California precisely? Is she the one? Bianca. Bianca, talk to me. Is she the one?
I need to understand what is happening here. What happened to Ujunwa? Why you come to talk like that?
Bianca, is she your mother you said lives in America, California precisely? Is she the one? Bianca, talk to me, I'm talking! Is she the one?
I don't understand what's in the happen here.
Bianca!
Huh?
One chance.
Yeah, Obenuju.
One chance.
You come and answer Bianca. When you not tell your husband the truth now, when you come begin to talk lie. If you tell your rich husband, all of us here will follow enjoy the money. Don't be so.
Mama, keep quiet. Huh? Keep quiet. What did you come here?
Jesus.
You don't care so? No, if I say he's a man. Now 1 year when you leave village, take off. You travel from village, you don't want to know your whereabouts. People that your boyfriend what keep west like waiting I don't know. So you don't even know how you get work. You know the pressure you put me. That's how they find you everywhere. They put everywhere they find you. That's why I ask Bishop to accommodation for this heaven and earth where you live. You see my work come where I can't live.
Mama, you see this come where you come so. This come where you carry yourself. Carry this bag come. You see am? See this come where you come. Go see. Rubbish.
See this stupid girl, no? My pikin even get belle, so she no fit tell him mama. Say she get belle. You come there. You bag for broken hand. You don't know about this bag. Where you won't come from my bag, you get mad? Bag of the talk concern you. See this boy, this house fine, no? Omo, heaven on earth. So now how my pikin dey enjoy himself. They chop chicken, they drink wine, they chop turkey, fried rice. Come hide here. You lie! You see this house? We die here. I don't come beside, I don't come. No going back. How am I eating there? Don't go find something. Can't take care of myself. What the bitch is?
See, you know what? You know what? You suck! You are a big liar! That is who you are!
I beg, oh! If I dey guilty, you too dey guilty. We are both guilty. If no be packaging, why I just call the package myself? You cannot even come my side. Happy see you got the things that benefit from you. Now so you too see me, think say if it benefit from me. Nothing got my now. Shit. You no got me.
Can you hear yourself? Can you hear your voice talking like a girl from? See, so you had the guts to lie to me. You were lying to me, telling me rubbish. I was born in America. My parents are I'm from a rich home. My father is rich. My mother is rich. They all live in America. None of that you were all lying. Never knew you were from the gutters.
Biko,
village girl.
Biko, mind the way you talk to me, please. Mind it. If I from gutter, you too you from gutter. And this gutter woman, he carry your gutter pikin. In short, this family is supposed to write am outside. We are gutter family. All of us, we are gutter family be this.
It is you that is gutter family.
Now me and you
Both
and everybody.
and your parents are from the gutters, not me.
This house alone, I got idea.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Shame kill you.
See, I will not forgive you for this. Look at you, escape Abino. You are packaging me that you are from America. I thought you were even half caste.
Okay.
You see, you. I should have knew. You were lying. All the time you were packaging me, calling village food with English donation, akara and pap, beans cake, rubbish. I didn't know you were lying. Look at you.
Almost see make I tell you one Abino. You just there, open your mouth like shark. Wow, and they vomit everything way flat. You say this house every day. I have come, this I have come. We go nowhere. I mount. We mount, we full ground. I don't come here because I don't come. I know they move.
You mount.
We mount for this house.
We mount.
See, you see this now? I dey on eye.
I will strangle you in this house. I will strangle you. So,
my goodness. So you have just been emotionally scammed.
yeah. If there's a better word to use, I think it's better than using scam. To think it was because of this stupid girl, Bianca, I treated Angela the way I did. Hey, this girl can lie for Africa. This girl lies too much. Like, if you see the way this girl was making me believe that she was born and brought up in America, that's so influential. Her father is this, her mother is this. Never knew she's from the gutter, a ghetto girl. Stinking family.
It's not funny, but I just had to laugh. You know why? Because you thought you were playing a fast one on her, not knowing that she is the one playing a fast one on you. You see? You would have just kept managing your poor Angela.
Yeah, bro. I feel pained. I feel stupid. I feel deceived by Bianca. See, now I understand how girls feel when things like this happen to them. I feel their pains.
Well, it is very obvious she played a very fast one on you. Yes, and it actually worked. No wonder she was able to get pregnant so fast, so quickly.
Now, yeah, the picture is clearer. It's now done on me. I mean, bro, you need to see this girl's mother. Pure ghetto woman, so ras. If you come into my sitting room now, it stinks because of her cigarettes and alcohol. The way she even talk like a ghetto woman, a village woman. Bro, to think I was actually expecting a posh queen speaking English woman from America, posh and connected. When I was deceiving myself.
Well, my bro, you just have to calm down. You will be fine. You will be fine. But in all indications, you are in for a very big mess. Yes. If you ask me, you just have to find a way to survive these two. The attacks that you're going to get from these two. That is all you're just going to do right now.
Hi.
Hi. Please can you give me a lift somewhere? Actually, I've been trying to reach my cab driver, but he's not taking his calls. And my cab broke down.
Okay, alright. Hop in. Well, let me drop.
Thank you. Thank you so much for today. You really tried for me.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
Yeah. Actually, I don't like being an ingrate though. I don't have much dollars here. I would really love to appreciate you for today. So please, we can sit out for a drink or maybe lunch, if you don't mind.
Okay, if you say so.
Alright. I'll be expecting a call from you then.
Oh, definitely. I'll give you a call.
Alright then. Bye.
Yeah, take care of yourself, okay?
Sure I will.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay. wanting to ask you, why do you always bring me to a hotel? Or you don't want me to know where you live?
Like I said earlier, it's not been long I got back from the States. So I'll be staying here for the meantime while I try to establish my business. So I'm not in a haste. I'll be putting up here for now.
Wow. This is a big hotel. Which means that means you're spending a whole lot of money because this is a big hotel. So how long have you been staying here?
6 months.
Jeez. 6 months.
Actually, I paid for a year. So I'll be staying here, but first I would want to establish my business, get a house close to me. My commandant comes to Nigeria to help me.
Oh, see, good one. You see, I think I like you. I like you. Anytime you spend time with me, it's productive. Like, I enjoy spending time with you, and I would love it to continue. Okay, I want us to have something serious. Yep, a relationship, if you permit.
Okay, I like you too, but one step at a time. Let's see how it goes. And I hope you don't distract me from my purpose of being here in Nigeria.
Oh, no, I won't do that. I won't do that. Okay, I'm ready to wait anytime you're ready. No rush. I'm not rushing.
Okay, then.
But you know what? Anytime you need my help, just give me a call.
Sure, I will.
have this kind of a strong heart. Deceitful heart must be a witch. Full of lies. God. You suck. You disgust me right now. My greatest regret right now is that she's carrying my seed. Only God knows the kind of baby she's gonna give birth to. Evil child. No wonder. See the reason the baby is always looking for trouble even inside the tummy, craving for rubbish, smelling people's pants.
Heaven on earth. Or more. Some they call package TV. If you can't get packaging. I can't enjoy it. Hey! The kids go give me for that. That video just will not get less than 7 days.
Mama, see. Me, I not just dey happy, oh. I not dey happy with you at all. I not just understand the way you don't come here. You don't just scatter my plan, eh? Everything I don't get plastic since everything don't get scatter. Which kind of problem?
Okay, come and close your mouth. See, I dey vex on you. See, as I see you now, I dey vex on you. If them say my pikin, I cannot change your color. As I dey look here, I dey vex. My blood dey boil, dey hot. You dey mad? You still get on to talk. You let me finish your mama, area mama with the doings. Mama wey get swag. Mama wey dey stop the unstoppable. You get my design before your husband. You still get man to talk. Eh? Take time, oh.
See, mama, you don't come be say you don't come. You no get wetin I go kuku fit do, eh? All the plan what I don dey do since make e no spoil, you don spoil. You don yakata everything. So welcome oh, you don come now.
Nothing spoil. I be your mama. Even if something spoil, we go arrange am. Don't say you fuck up, but nothing spoil. We go arrange wetin you fit say you don spoil. Calm down, relax. I don come beside, I don show. Everywhere go stew. Rice plenty everywhere. Everywhere go stew, everywhere go soft. Go see rice, you go see sauce, you go see pepper, everything go just stew. Calm down. But you dey fuck up. You dey fuck up big time. By now you supposed to don carry this your bobo. This guy, when you say the guy fresh like today bread, so soft. Child, mama born pikin. For kind like enter area na enter villa. When those oyeye uncles and those big dogs, they won't say nothing come up our side. When they don't say you don soft for us. Say finally God don answer our prayer. Suppose carry the man come village now, come show them say you don't get belle. Huh?
Mama abeg, come out from that side where you dey go. Just come out abeg, let her go there. Come out. Eh.
Okay, now if you talk like that, now no shaking now, nothing do you, nothing do me. What of that fair girl what they see? Na house girl. That fair auntie.
House girl.
Oh, no, chop money oh.
House girl care. House girl call. Na my co-wife be that oh.
Co-gini?
Wife. Co-wife.
You and na two they share one man.
Mama na my co-wife. She carry herself just come here. Come dey talk say my husband give am belle. She know about pursue me for my
house. E no fit happen. Who goes her? Who she be? Pursue you for this place where you don't mount like Ama. You don't class Ama no good now we. You don't class say get jago de mama. See, I don't lie, I go punch her eye. I go reset her face. I go change her 2 seconds. I go run her street. See the man? I go punch him. I go reset her face. I go keep her up. I go
Mama, hold on. How me you go nod? Na she, if you see her give her the head, abeg. I beside mama abeg, just leave am. Leave am. It be like she be my husband girlfriend before me and my husband come.
But taking is allowed now. Hey, ma tell you, no darling. No mumu, na me born you. You dey hear me? Snake need to give back to waiting to cockroach. You know how far they want street those days now. You don't come, you say you don't come, you don't gallant. You see this house now, you dey here. Anybody wey mumu, we go put her for body woto.
Mama oh! Mama oh!
Mama no good na we! Mama no good na we!
This one na the men man. You shout! You don't go there, that they don't carry pots and scatter your face. Carry you rub you for ground like small children. Small, but you don't be like small children play.
They yarn too much. Calm down. See what I tell you, I don't know so that girl. Now small but mind you. Oh, I don't know. This time not say that so she there. I for prepare come. I've been trying to protect, make you know come out this belly for you. See, I might tell you calm down, no worry. Now I don't know say that so she there. I go prepare come for her. I get power. Excess power. Power when you don't even know say I get as a beginning. Next time, at least I'll be to shake her. If that one no work, now pandemic I will use.
Madam, Mama, I beg.
I will use and follow her.
First and decide, I beg.
As I take her, she go no say, don't try me.
Should I be honest with you? Listen, since I met you, you have brought more harm than good to me. You are a problem to me. What is wrong with you? Why will you go to her room with your mother to fight her? Why? By now you should bury your head in shame than looking for trouble and fighting people. What is wrong with you?
In no be so in the kind judge matter. You don't go here for one side. Suppose here for my pikin. You know the judge matter one side. They keep us sleeping now.
Mama, listen. I don't want to disrespect you because if I do, you will not like me. Why will you be supporting your daughter? Are there so many rooms in this house that going with your daughter to her room to fight her? Tell me, are there no rooms? Now listen to me. If you try this again in this house, you will not like me. Allow me to have peace in my house! No!
Who was you? Is that man? She this idiot because I dare to keep quiet. You get my give my pikin belle. You never come pay her bride price because I never carry any boys come there don't change that for you. Which kind of nonsense be that one call the shock my pikin? What do you smoke? What's up? Look at me on the dress. You smoked up. Can you imagine? See tell her I go put her for more than 2 seconds so. My own not good though.
You don't do. Now so you do my that time now you go that girl room. She use you clean girl. You don't start it.
No, see, as I be like this now, my blood they hot. My blood they boil like they boil 100%. You see this your husband, you don't wish to hand go touch her. Before you go call me Mama Trouble.
You see, since you entered this compound, I've been holding myself and my appa so that I will not disrespect you. You are an elderly person. I greet you. Sometimes you don't even answer me, no problem. But what I will not tolerate is you coming all the way from there to this my corner to come and drag this bucket. Biko, you have buckets inside. Go and take it. I want to use this one and wash. I beg in the name of God, I don't want trouble. I don't natural trouble. I'm not so trouble, Biko. Yes.
You beg in the name of God?
Yes.
Now, your mama, where you go insult? Your mama, where they for village? Now you go, see this bucket? By my pikin.
You see all these things that you're doing, I don't blame you. I blame Kelvin for reducing me to this kind of mockery object.
You meant for village? I mean this one they see so. Any other reservation for village? No, make her know now. When they act as serious, you just come to city, you don't change. Spare parts there inside house. Don't see finish with this now. Don't see you finish.
I will not disrespect you. Let me have my bucket.
Which bucket?
Let me have my bucket.
You want that bucket with me today?
Let me have my bucket.
Don't try me.
I'm my yoga yo.
I go not you.
If I change it, you won't like it.
I go not you.
I swear, Makachi, man like ya.
I go not you. You want try me?
What can you do?
I go not you.
Bana barago.
Who go break this bucket?
Bana barago. One smack down, you are down.
Who?
One smack down.
Now your mama will go smack them because I go beat you blue black.
Oh, Jesus. Eh?
Who you be? Who you?
Oh my.
Who you?
Fighter.
Who goes you? You go break this bucket.
If you want to break it, you break it.
Break
if you break it, Kevin will buy another one. Since you don't know how to respect yourself.
You go break this bucket.
If you break it, Kevin will buy another one.
Oh Diego. Leave and two.
Bana barago.
Leave and three. Leave and four. I go not you.
It's just respect that I'm respecting you.
Why they keep? Why are you holding me like this? This is my neck. Do you want to kill me? I go not you. Don't knock me, please. Give it. I'm the officer. Come on, go down. Put the officer on the ground. No. If I want to, take it easy, Mama, go come. Area. We are one, oh. You see, area. Come and get out of here. There's a security officer on the ground. This is not happening. You will hear from my lawyer. Why are you looking good on my behalf? What is happening? You want to know what happened? My daughter, my fine girl, say make I lock this gate till Oga, what be my fresh in-law, come back. Oh, but second madam went out now. What is happening? Who? Second madam? Second madam? Yeah. At first they say Lakara. Say what I tell you. If you want to remain for this house, mind your business. Then call you to face your gate. My pikin go push you for work. I will tell my pikin, make it sack you. I don't take respect yourself. How you want to sack me, no employ? Thought that fire you. So you want to come and occupy where it no build? Eh? Even Bible said the heavenly place is by force, but this one is not by force. What is happening in this house? I'm not a guy. Go and focus where you come. Leave me at my gate. The security officer in the ground. It does not happen. This one did not happen. Please, after I said, do not say anything. Hello, do you say anything? Do you say anything?
This gate man know that I went to buy something. Now why did he not lock the gate? Thomas! Thomas! Hello. Thomas! Thomas!
Hello, ma.
Thomas, open the gate now. It's something hello, ma.
It's not my fault, oh. It's grandma. It's grandma that locked the gate. Grandma.
Please go and collect that key from that woman.
Ma, you don't take the key, go inside though. I'm in between.
Upstairs and go and collect that key.
Ma, I'm in between in this case. It's not my fault.
Hey.
Yes. You guys are called, not with me. But no verse.
Okay, now that she has locked the gate, what does she want me to do?
I don't know, and the sun is too much.
Shut up and go and collect key.
Okay. Grandma. Okay, I will be back.
I don't blame you people. It's Kelvin I'm blaming. It's Kelvin that is causing all this disrespect.
This is what I get after all the promises, yet you broke my heart. Yeah. This is what I get. I keep giving you my all. You keep breaking my heart. You deceived me, took advantage of me, and messed me up. And I'm still here for you. You deceived me. You've been cheating on me.
They locked me outside.
Who?
You are asking. Your woman mother. She locked me outside. Thomas said that she locked the gate and carried the key inside. I've been here since. For what? Kelvin, you caused all this nonsense. If you go for love, we see the love.
Why would I do that to you? In my own house? Huh? Come off! Now listen to me. You know what your saving grace is? Because you're carrying my child. If not, I would have given you a dirty slap. What is wrong with you?
I don't understand. You go slap you. You chop which? Why you for eye? You just survey from just land like nothing. What chance my pikin? Who goes you? You dey mad? I don't understand.
Agboro mama, you see for this house, one person go come out within pieces. You see for this house, when una don carry una ghetto character come meet this man. One person go die here.
Come and get on my hair with your local champion ways.
Go to the room, man.
Monkey? What? People listen to the talk. Even you say you want talk.
Bianca, what is your problem? What has come over you? Why will your mother lock her outside the gate? Why? For what reason? In my own house?
Because now where she belongs, so you supposed to leave her for that place. Bam! I like that line. Yeah. Where she belong. You supposed to leave her for there. But last Kevin, they fuck up. You dey fool him full time. See my fresh pikin, we fresh like the baby. So she clean. See skin. I'm a chanwa. He leave my pikin, my babe. Go begin for this old local champion, this old woman. Where from village come. As you find like this fresh, you no get sense. See what they follow. Come, you can't the paranoid. Come on now, who goes you? Come on, settle. If you do anyhow now, I go change up for. I go put that for your body, woto. 2 seconds I go run the street. Don't try me. Hear me? Don't try me.
I am so disappointed in both of you. Unbelievable.
Follow him. What I give you with you chop if I don't know. Follow your local champion. Your village babe. Yeah, shame. As he find with fresh like today bread, you the dead local champion. See her bend waist. See you now. Come on, come on here. Yeah, thing. Independent.
I'm surprised you asked to see me.
Well, yes, I asked to see you, Angela. You know, I can't pretend not to notice that a lot has been happening. Yeah, even though I don't have an idea of what they are, but Kelvin has been telling me a lot that has been going on.
I hope you're advising him. You know he's your friend though. You gotta get advice.
Angela, as a matter of fact, the advice I have is for you. Yes. Angela, allow Kelvin to give you some money for your upkeep and that of the baby. Yes. Please, you can make use of it. You can go back to the village and establish yourself. Or better still, look for somewhere, somewhere around the city and establish yourself there.
So this is what he sent you to come and tell me?
No. Kelvin did not send me. He did not send me. He sent me. Yeah? Now, I don't know how to say this, but Bianca has been deceiving him. Unknowing to Kelvin, she's a liar. She is from the gutters. Now, Angela, staying under the same roof with Bianca and the mother is not safe for you. It will kill you.
My brother, I'm not going anywhere. Even the Bible said it that only the violent taketh it by force. I was not expecting you to side me. I know he's your friend. I know you will support him. But you see me, Angela. Hey!
Angela, I'm not trying to support anybody. Okay? At least consider your life and the life of your baby. These two people are toxic.
No problem.
Fighting under the same roof with she and the mother. It is not safe for you. It is not healthy for you and the baby.
Going out is also not safe for me. Thank you for your advice. Advice about onye owelu, onye na choro rapo. You see this my baby that I have in my womb. I must give birth to this my baby in that house. Yes, because Kelvin is my boyfriend. Kelvin is responsible for this pregnancy. After 4 good years of relationship, promising me love and everything. Una cheropom, nyandeba una apapom, kadige oburu wholesale. Thank you for your advice. I'm not leaving that house. If they want us to fight there, we will fight. If they want peace, I give them peace. If they want war, violence.
How can this girl just stop being stubborn for once? Why is she this stubborn? She's putting herself at risk. Come on.
See, I'm not happy. When are you coming now? When are you coming to see my mother and do the right thing? Everyone is asking this question. My mother herself will not even allow me to drink water and keep cup. Every time she'll be asking me, when is he coming to pay your bride price? I need an answer to this question. Or don't you love me again?
I love you so much. Auntie Angela, listen, life is all about one step at a time. Step by step. So listen, I just came back. So I need to establish myself, put things in order, put this in place for us. Build my dream house, get my car and all those things. Then before thinking about marriage. I don't want to get married to you and you come to my house and suffer. No. I want to make everything please for you. That you come and enjoy life.
Baby, see, I don't love you because of money. I love you wholeheartedly. Anyhow I can manage. My own is just to be your wife. So when do you think you'll be done with all these things?
Oh, very soon. Very soon.
Like when?
I don't want to give a specific date, so you hold me on that, telling me. And you told me next week of 20th of next week. No, I don't want to give a date, but I know very soon I will get everything that I want to put in place, and I will come together. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Are you sure you still love me? You sure? All right, very good, very good. Come on.
No, my mother. Have you forgotten? You have not paid bride price.
Okay, if you say so.
Okay.
I'll be on my way, okay? I'll keep in touch.
Alright, take care of yourself. Agape. I love you too. I love you. Bye-bye. Do and come. Oh.
Very soon, very soon.
I love him so much. I can't wait to be his wife. My daughter, I cannot deceive you. I am your mother. It's just that you are not seeing what I'm seeing in this boy. Why? Mama, what are you seeing? You cannot wait for a man for more than 4 years, and he returned to this village. He's not talking about marriage. He's not even just to come and pay your bride price. He's not talking about it. He's not saying anything. Mama, I just had this conversation with him. It's just that because you don't like him, everything about him na waka cigar. He has already explained to me that he just came back. He needs to establish himself, establish business, makago. That he will come and marry me. That is what he said, and I believe him. So I would appreciate if you give him benefit of doubt. For how long? For how long will I continue to give him benefit of doubt? I know you are blinded by his love. That is the reason you are not seeing his deceit. Mama, he will come. He will not, I am not sure. You have to be very, very careful. He has not even come to see me. Let alone talking about marriage. Mama, on now. He will come and see you. Is it not if he sees you now? He doesn't want to procrastinate after seeing you. That's why he's taking his time. Well, no problem, my daughter. I am waiting. Okay, Mama, he will come. Take care. Traditional marriage, mother of the day. Just calm down. Okay. No problem.
Angela, it's okay. Stop crying.
No, don't tell me to stop crying. Allow me to express my emotions. Thank you. Kevin, thank you for treating me this way. What have you not done to me? You came to the village, you lied to me. You deceived me. Only for me to realize that you are now with another woman. She's even pregnant for you. Kelvin, how could you be so mean and heartless? How? What have I done to deserve this kind of ill treatment from you? To worsen it all, you sent Ifeanyi to come and tell me to leave the house. Angela now. So you want me to leave the house?
Angela, listen. It's not the way you're saying it right now, okay? So many things that happened was never my intention. See, please. Everything I'm trying to do right now is for your own good. Me sending Ifeanyi down to you is for your safety. With the little you know definitely they deceived me. I was deceived. So please, your safety is my concern right now. I don't want anything to happen to you. Okay? It's a case between 2 against 1. They might hurt you one day when I'm not around. Okay?
I don't care about your concern. If they want to hurt me, let them hurt me. If they want to kill me, let them kill me. There is nothing better or even worse than this humiliation that you've given me in this my life. For this house, I'm not leaving. I'm not going anywhere.
Alright. Okay? But please, just think about it.
I will not think about anything. I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah, please, I will make it
Oh,
up to
please stop.
you.
I don't want. I'm not interested. Go and meet your wife. Angelina!
So I dey call you today in the chop. Eh, Angelina?
Angela is my name.
Angela na your name. I don't say for this house food no dey. My precious pikin, give me this food first. Go market, go buy wetin you carry. Like you get mind like beans. Fear no catch you, go buy mama put food. Even put am meat. Where you wan chop? Eh, Angelina?
Is there something wrong with you? Since you came to this, since I met you, you have been respecting you, but you don't want to respect me. Is there something wrong with you? An adult like you did not notice that somebody is eating. A man you have with table manners. You have the temerity to come and snatch your food. You don't need more so. You want some of this food? Give me my food. No, wow. Give me my food. Mama Bianca, give me my food. You talk? People like this supposed to be put down.
Mama, see, we need to show that girl small lesson. We need to show her small lesson, small like this, make line touch ground. Because that girl now, like say don't dey see the wrong mouth anyhow for the house. The man don't dey do pra. You don't dey overleak.
Let it talk sense down. See, calm down, relax. Your blood too dey hot. Too dey hot, calm down. I be your mama. Mama of the doings. Mama wey get vibes. I get plans. See, you see this house where you did? I no wan make you come out here. I no wan, nothing go ever make you leave this house where you did enjoy. Even me sef, I no wan go village again. I don relax, I don take position. So cool that.
Mama, if na that one come out, you go. Huh? If na go, you go. You don't even go finish now. How you take go, you dey explain, give me so now. You go back village. But the thing happen say before you go, we still need to show that girl just small lesson. Small like this, small, before you go.
I go.
You go now.
Okay, now since you say go back, go pack my bag, begin go. No need to stay here.
Mama, you safe.
Go pack my bag now.
Your blood today hot. They calm down now. May God try use you. Calm down. This small play where I just follow you play now. You can't just carry and put for body, carry and for head. See, calm down. No be like say you go now. Before you go now, she said she need to go first. And after she don't go, me I go come plan how you go take go. But at least we first need to pursue her, make she go now. You know, based on
Make the monkey shadow.
Hello? Oga, can you tell me, sir? No, there is fire on the mountain, but wait, don't run first. You need to drive fast now. Come back home, oh. Drive fast or fly like Superman. You need to be home now. There is fire here. The 3 wives are fighting. These are not be 2-man fighting, these are 3-man fighting. 3-woman fighting. Yes! I'm not joking, sir. I'm not joking, sir. Are you there? You can't hear network. Okay, I'll give network. Come back home now. Quick. Please, sir, can you come home? Why you go carry 3 women put for one house this my oga? Why not do you? Yeah, you want to test this one, No. If we can talk here, you will see it. They are fighting now. It's alright. Angela! Bianca! Angela! What is... Bianca! What happened? Yeah.
How go do now? You dey ask me how go do? No be you there since they beat and they punch and they do am.
You dey mad? Now who send me? No be you. No be you send wetin I go do.
No be just say I just dey show you small taxes. You can't just carry a put for your head, carry the one matter. You just there dey punch and since. If I take put hand for fire, you go put one.
I said at here na your husband house. I said don't be now. I go back village. Stop. If the kasala happen, go carry for your head. Bye bye.
No be you which kind of village be that now? I'm sorry now, What else do you now want me to say?
I just want you to take your deceitful self, your lying self out of my presence.
See, leave all these things that you are saying, Leave all these things that you are saying. You still need to be giving me money now. You have not bought all the baby things, and how do you expect only me and the baby to survive just like that?
Read my lips. I will not give you a dime until you give birth to this village baby. And if you decide not to give me peace in my own house, I will walk away.
Me sef. Come on to save, I not even save. Just dey busy, they chop everything, they chop all the money. Say na money don't finish. Only ego nuke ego. Only ako. Bianca. You give me money, you give me money.
Hey! Bro, you see those 2 women in my house? Those 2 principalities, they are leaving my house.
I won't lie to you. From the look of things, you are stuck with those women forever. No, from the way I'm seeing it.
don't understand. Which kind of curse is that one now?
No, it's not a curse. I'm only being frank with you. Yes. I'm telling you, because the way I'm seeing it, your wife will put to bed very soon. Eh? May God help you if it happens to be a boy. Her sense of entitlement and her right over you will dominate. See, let me tell you, it is better for you now to make your choice known so that everybody can know. I don't know if you're getting my point. Because if you keep giving these women their way, you are in for this for a very long time.
Bro, I will think up a better plan. Okay? If she give us that, something better will come out. See, I have learned a lot of lessons from this.
It's your choice. If you like, you learn. If you like, you don't learn. It's better for you to decide on what to do now. You're talking about living long. This is when you have to decide whether you want to live long or you want to die young. It's enough of this, your wife's issues. Please, who's there? I beg, get me 1-star Rambler. What are you taking, sir?
I just want to get drunk.
You want to get drunk?
Yes, sir.
Before me.
Please give me
Are beautiful.
Did anyone fight in the house today?
Huh?
Come on, break your voice now. Did anyone fight in the house today?
No, sir. I never hear any kudu. Nothing. I never hear anything.
Alright.
But Oga, wait. What about the second mother? Did you send her away? Never see her, nothing like that? Any problem?
Why are you always inquisitive? Why do you like pork nosing? I just ask a simple question. You already deviated and you say something different. Did anyone fight? Yes or no? Why are you asking me stupid questions?
My bad. I take all the games. My bad.
Better.
Thank you, sir.
You should have gone inside and drive everybody away now.
I'm sorry.
You are fed me.
I'm so grateful. Sorry, sir. Na me they ask whether he learn and they like fast. Go inside and see what you keep there. Let me go use your mouth. My mouth tell you. I can't. I can never.
Hey, come on, Angela, you fall sick. Okay, please. I hate to see you shed tears. Yes, I understand how you feel. I know I've not had time to come and apologize to you for what happened. I've been trying to put things in place. But please, sincerely from the bottom of my heart, I apologize. Yeah, blame me for it. I caused everything. But I'm sorry.
I know you're happy. I know you're happy that I've lost my child because I know you never wanted that baby. If you're not happy, you wouldn't have allowed those murderers to still be in your house by now. You would have done something. But you all should thank your stars that I don't have money. Else, I would have sued everybody. You all will rot in jail.
Angela, stop talking like that. See, listen, I have my own plans. You know I am stuck with these people. That's why my hands are tied. I can't do anything. She's carrying my child. See, please. Yeah, someday she'll put to bed and I will do what I need to do. They deceived me, you know that. Please, I still care so much about you. Any day, anytime, I will still stand by you. Please, all I just want is for you to just go home. Go back home. Go back to the village. Okay? You see, if you had listened to me, all this would have been avoided. I want you to
do what? To do what? What were you expecting me to do? My mother had already asked me to leave the house, that I should not near the house with the pregnancy. My supposed baby that is still living in a mansion and expects me to be homeless out there. insensitive! How cruel can you be, Kelvin? What did you want me for? I am pregnant! She's pregnant! Why did you tell her to leave? Lord is carrying Jesus amongst two of us. So if there's anyone that should leave this house, it should be that intruder, not me. You know the story. And for your information, if the plan is to kill my child and frustrate me to leave, you people are dreaming. I am not leaving this house! Not now! Not anytime soon! Do your worst. Lord, please.
See as Organa and they hide the entire house. A well-trained landlord have turned to tenant overnight. Because of woman. Eh? You tell people, no, keep your something one place, be with one place, you know, but no. My guy can never take the advice. You want this, you want this, you want black, you want white. You see him?
Mama, sister's number has not been going through for a while. Where did you say she went to?
Oh. She went to the city in search of that useless boyfriend of hers.
But Mama, Kevin is not missing. I thought they're supposed to be preparing for wedding by now.
Wedding? Your sister foolishly got pregnant for that Kevin. So I sent her out to go and look for him.
Hey, Mama, don't you think that's too harsh?
Huh? Harsh? You better not try it. Oh. You better not do what your sister did. You better concentrate on your studies. Don't even try it. If you do what your sister did, I will not take it. I will disown you.
Mama, please do not transfer the aggression on me. I was only defending my sister.
Please go to the kitchen and do Gary Amohongwe. Go! Sister's keeper. Agbani. Advisor. If you are in your advice, and get it too harsh and get it too hot. Day your day, cha, make a day by day. She don't even like me. Day your day. Nobody worry, nobody worry. No! Stop! Day your day. Make a. Where did you? Somewhere you keep face like pancake when not done well.
Mama, I've told you, it's Bianca. Bianca.
What is the Biala? Now Bianca name you. Anyway, what happened? Why you keep your face like pancake when not done? What happened? This cigar, I don't understand that. What happened?
Mama, Mommy, I've been trying to reach my husband, but it's not going through.
In the bad? It is your head up to conk. I will just conk it. I mean, they speak for nose. No? Come on, coordinate what God uses. Talk what I want here, make I understand their grammar. They speak inside nose.
Mama, see, I don't try they call this man. Since they try call my husband. You know what not just they go, eh? I don't understand. This one not be my husband way now. You don't understand that level.
Calm down now. I don't be house you go hustle for streets. You know what kind of make you go hustle come give your picking food.
Male, see, you no go understand. On a normal like this, you no suppose don't they reach this kind time. If they come back quick before now, so how now when they call like no one no they go. Where you even go safe?
Calm down. I know you go light up small.
Leave that thing.
No, light up.
How they like?
Look now, forgot to put right from you. You they walk. You know, light up.
Do your own abeg.
What thing I get I go give you. Yeah, your day. Make a day my day. Obio, hey, you don't show me this time. This thing go fit me. If I come, come make the hand puff like this. So do your child dedication. How I go wear for your child dedication.
Mama, don't tell me, sir. What's the even they do you? dey call person for phone, you know they go, you carry phone, they show me. Like, wetin concern me as style now when me and you dey. Wetin I wan dey use style.
Come on, leave that thing, you go come back. Maybe dey for bar, they bring beer with him friends then. Let me bother yourself. You go come back. I know my in-law. My in-law go come back.
Tarararam. 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 Taram. Breaking news.
What happened?
It's a very sad news for all of us. Ifeanyi just left here. He wanted to come inside when he was in a hurry. He said that EFCC people have captured Kelvin. That he's in their custody. Dikeh.
My Kelvin.
The absolute love of my life. One Jeko. I be doing a bobo before mom piam mo abataba ni hanem.
When I come here to come they do how when I use love on myself. How I won't believe this process we're talking about, this news.
I cannot answer your question. The sad news here is that Ifeanyi said that EFCC people are coming to see this house, that all of us should leave.
Wait. So, on Kelvin and on love, now you know what they do. 419. You they do kula. You can't do like this. As in big rich, you know get sense, you know get better work they do. How you take enter EFCC? What do you do? Enter EFCC.
I'm saying a legit businessman say.
All these people they want to speak big English. That is him.
Hey mama, I know I don't find motor. I don't remember asking whether they carry him or she carry him.
See, this person, this girl talk, I don't believe her more. She just won't call. In fact, I don't know where even from get this class. He hit her for Nash.
See,
I mean, is the lie?
See, forget say we and this girl they quarrel, they fight too. It get when person say they talk truth. This thing when she talk now na true because you know if you just come the life this kind of serious matter.
So you believe this nonsense to what this girl get talk?
Because na my keke they talk of, so I believe her.
Abeg, see this style what they tell you about this phone, this style. I like this style.
Mama, if you carry this phone come close, I go break am.
You're not born me well. I'm not born me well. I go use your head up these styles. You don't know me.
For my phone, wey be say na your in-law buy for me.
And so therefore, now you go break this phone. Since why I born you enter this world, you don't forget this kind of phone.
No be my phone. Now you get am.
Now make I no go talk.
No carry this thing come here. I go don knack am. You go knack that one fall for ground scatter do am.
My abase. I go use you mob ground. Today you go see me. You go see me in action. You go see the other side of me. You don't know me. Ask question. I'm the mama of the doings.
Male, see all these things wey you dey do no be am at all. This thing wey you dey do dey fly smoke up and down no be am at all. As I dey like this now, I don tire, I no even know wetin we wan do. Like this now, in dey prison, I been a cell, I been a where him go, me I no even know where they put am. And I no sure say he ready to come out now. And they talk, you still dey smoke, wetin we go do?
My pikin, leave matter for matters. Relax. Calm down. Let the chike. Nothing don't spoil. This way they shout, they chant. Now we send a message. If they run street, I no come down. You don't know how to run street. If don't fuck up, enter Sanko. Calm down. Make they watch area. They will soon release them. Nothing they happen.
Make I calm down. Mama, make I calm down. Calm not even dey close to down. Two of them dey very far for this matter like this. Because like this now, she no got my nyash. One kobo. Mama, if you turn me upside down like this, even fake notes no go come out.
This kind of sense without you talk now. I don't understand. Why you not clear from your hand before you enter Sanko?
You dey shout for me. No try am o. Make you end that place so where you dey. No even try am. No even carry me go back for where I no wan go. That injury where you come this house, come give me wey be say you don dey manage dey go small like you don come carry salt come far. No try am. If not be you wey carry this on two left leg with that bag wey you carry from God knows where whether na from heaven dey throw you come down. No let you know where from bus out enter this house come just carry some points on my garri. Scatter plan wey I get for my future. Since then, they give me money.
Where's she? My pikin, see, relax. Easy pressure. Nothing don't spoil. Now maybe your mama, area mama of the doings. Full time. I still dey game. We don't on top of the game. See, last. If nothing come out there, we go sell everything for this house. We go hail everything. See this bed, don't find like this. We go hail am. No time. All those furniture guys that work there for roadside, those carpenter them, they go buy them. You see this light, all this is this clock, everything, this television. We go sell everything. You see that picture you say your belly? We go bring her out, sell on if first come to us. Everything, everywhere we go sell.
Now you, they go sell. Mama, now you I go first sell. You dey find pikin where you go sell.
I don't know. I'm looking for sometimes.
What I'm saying, what the room grip by you?
The truth is say this smoke self, we are booking self for me. They even walk the way I want them. See what I tell you, nothing dey happen.
God, what is all this? Chimo, now I understand why people don't show genuine love. I don't know what I've done to Kelvin to deserve this. First, he came back to the country and chose to spit on my face by marrying another woman. I still did not give up. I stood my ground because I love him, that I'm not going anywhere. I lost my pregnancy in the process of fighting for love. Now, he has been arrested by EFCC for fraudulent activities. Igoma Afuranya. Igoma Esokuhuweri. I did not enjoy this money. God, what do I do? My mother warned me never to come back to the house. Even though I've lost the pregnancy, I know she will not accept me. The only thing she wants to hear now is that my bride price is paid. They are asking us to leave, that they will lock the house. Where do I go to? God, I'm finished. Where do I go to? I can't go back to my house. I can't even... God, Kelvin Ibom.
Which kind bad luck is this? Which kind nonsense be this one? If not be now where I won't come to enjoy now, all this kind of things I'm not going to hear now. Which kind thing? So what they pack? What you want to do now?
You are good, they do. What thing you they do? Mama, you see as we dey like this now, we go because if those EFCC people come here, me I don't know anything I wan tell them. Nothing wey dey my mouth now to explain. I fit explain that I no evidence.
But even if we go Japan now, we go practice Japan. But at least you suppose go Sanko, go see your husband. Make you know see you don't dey move.
You are good, they go Sanko. You are who they go Sanko. Are they who they pack? You sit down here, they follow me, they gist, they follow me talk. By the time I don't pack this bag finish, I go carry my bag for head. You go next in a village a day. I don't jump, I don't move. You be like saying Jesus still a joke.
No be choice so. But see, based on say you want to Japan now, all those things, even your own property, everything wey see. Yeah.
I dey pack everything wey I see now. Anyone wey I know they use, I go sell.
Even this one suppose yourself.
No go pack your load.
I'm gonna big practice. I mean, I go to help you there.
Mama, I go see you for village.
I dey come and tell you how to go for time.
Meet me for bus stop. Yeah. Stop the house now. Go let you there. I'm one.
Leave this burger, this village camp. I can do my see what my husband. See what one now.
Mama, you see there?
No, I feel like to beat this girl, but make her leave her. Earlier, mama. If you come now, I go punch you. What is that place now? Earlier, hey. Madam, what is happening? Why is everybody running out of the house? Have they sold the house to the EFCC? Hello, ma? Can you talk to me, ma? Are you there?
You mean they left already? In just few hours I was with both of you?
My dear, they've gone now. She said I should take the house. I've equally seen where I will go and stay since you said that the EFCC people are coming to take the house. But I'm worried about him. I don't know, can I see him at least?
No, the problem now is that he has been restricted from seeing people, you know. So we can't see him now.
Okay, no problem. Ifeanyi, I know you to be a very good friend. I know you to love him so much, like your own blood brother. Biko, do everything within your power to make sure he's out. Oh, I'm praying for him. I know that God will see him through. I just want to see him happy. I just want him out of that EFCC custody. Oh, Biko, just try and help him. Don't abandon him. Oh, one Cambia over. Just tired. Biko, cry, or anything you do to bring him out. Oh.
Just see the kind of person this guy lost. You know, sometimes our lack of contentment can actually make us lose.
Mama, Ada, my daughter, you're welcome. You mean you went through all this? God, Mama, I suffered. I suffered.
Brother Kevin is so wicked. Hey, what kind of man is that?
Angela, I want you. I want you. I want you, but you wouldn't listen. Look at how he proved to you that you are not worthy. Your life doesn't even matter to him. Just look at it. Your life don't mean anything to him. I saw it coming.
Mama, please. Please.
Angela, if not for one thing, I would have not allowed you into my house again. Angela, you are a good child. You struggle for this family to survive. You did everything within your power for the survival of this family. But I saw it coming. That is why I told you to leave this boy. He doesn't want it. There's nothing I can do. I cannot throw my child away because of that useless, that heartless, wicked boy. You're welcome. You're welcome. It's okay. What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong, Mama? Nothing. What is my crime? Why did I have to pass through all of this? God, it's okay. Stop crying.
Okay, you make me cry.
Hey! Everybody don't run away from this house. Yeah? But me, as a Thomas human being, even in the Bible, Thomas don't believe anything. I can't believe. I will be here and wait for EFCC. I will welcome them. Serve them or not. How can I run away? A security officer with my ID, I can't run away anywhere. I am here. Who is there? Who is that pandemic human being? Are you okay? Huh? Wait first. If I meet you there, are you okay? I'm coming there. Hey! Don't break that gate. Oh, come on, sir. Sure, sir. Is it on your way? No.
Why is everywhere so quiet? Are you the only one at home?
Oga, thank God you are here. Yeah? Everybody leave this big house, this big mansion, and run away. They say that the house now belongs to EFCC. But me, as a security officer, as a Thomas I am, I'm not going anywhere. Are they here?
Well, that's not the problem.
Yeah.
I think what you should do is just stay put and watch the house. All right?
Okay, sir. But sir, please, any update? I've been waiting for you. Any updates?
Don't stress me. Just stay put and watch the house, please.
Okay, sir.
All right?
Okay, sir.
1 minute.
I'll give you 2 seconds.
Have this.
No, sir. No, sir. You don't have to do this now. I'm a security officer. Don't take that. Oh, God, don't you force me. I can have it.
All right.
Yes, thank you, sir. Keep doing like this, and God will bless you.
Just take care of the house, like I said.
Yes, I will take care of it. No, okay, I've opened it. I wanted to. If you run, come on, tell one place. You see, when you want to run away.
Are you not going home yet? Well, not yet. I just want us to stay here, relax, and think. Moreover, I think it's good I stay here so that in case any of them come back to check, they won't find anybody at home. Yeah, later, soon I'll go back home. This is fine. But you know, the idea actually worked. Yes, the prank really worked. Oh, really? But you know, I'm surprised at Angela. Yes, the fact that she came back pleading to stay. I was shocked. I was really shocked. I mean, if not for the EFCC thing. So what about Bianca? That one. She didn't even bother to stay. She ran off. I'm telling you. Great. Good. At least now I know who is who. I know what to do. Alright. I know. You say so.
Oh, sister, you're here.
Yes, I am. Where is Ruben now?
He's still writing exam. They are not done yet.
Forgive me. I forgot that both of you are no longer in the same school.
Sister, Mama and I have been trying to reach you. You forgot us for so long.
I'm so sorry, Izime. It was not intentional. You know I will do everything within my power to make sure you're happy and comfortable. Unfortunately for me, I was going through a lot at that point in time. I couldn't concentrate. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Auntie. I understand. Even though I am young, I still understand. Please stop hurting yourself, okay? You'll be fine.
Thank you. Thank you. I know I'll be fine now. I'm just here. Israel, please get me a cup of water, right?
Okay. I'm scared, Mama.
Scared of what?
You need to put a close watch on sister. She's hurting herself.
My daughter, don't worry yourself. Your sister is not a baby. I am doing what I'm supposed to do as a mother, which is talking to her. But if she decides to hurt herself, so be it. There's nothing I can do. But go and mark it. You see that useless boy, that Kevin, that worthless and the heartless human being Kevin, I will never forgive him. He ruined my daughter's life.
But Mama, you still have to pray for sister. She really needs it.
No problem. You have to go and take our clothes inside. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
Why this compound dey like this now? Even the broom why even keep yourself. So this girl no sweep this compound. How much kind of nonsense with this one? She won't use me learn how to practice how to get belle. I be like she be the first girl to get belle for this world. Me sef I don get belle before. I no go fit to do this work oh. You no go no. Make she go come. I no go fit do this kind of work. You no go work. Make she go come. They wait for her. Come. Where you dey come from? Why this compound dey think that this? You no see go carry broom sweep come as woman? You don't see this broom here?
Mama, I beg. I use God when they have to beg you. That way you follow me there, they follow me, they chop everything way past your front. If this one pass, if this one pass, and so you don't do they swallow everything like fish. You know not say it go be like this. That time so where would they enjoy? Mama, I beg, don't even stress me. If not, I go change am for you for this house.
I mean they talk to me.
Mama say I get belle oh.
You be like say forget your head don't pass to cock.
I get belle oh.
If I want this laptop, more your 4 teeth. You dey mad? I make give me belle. Why don't come pium? You no fit use your common sense. Now I be the first to get belle. You get want to talk. See, make I no come out to. If any day I hear your mouth again, do you go know me that day. As I talk to you now, go carry this broom now, begin to sweep this compound now. I no want leave for this ground. Oh yeah. Can't come and carry it, don't carry. No fit carry this black carry off me. Oh yeah, go carry broom. Quick. Pass like this.
Mama beg put ogilo obey and small drown. That's what the baby wants.
What I tell you? I don't give you belle. I don't know if you're a child.
Mama, you don't feel help person.
Anything way behind
I don't give you belle. I said to Kevin.
Kelvin, you're out.
Hey, man, Kevo! Omo, you don't for Sanko come out last so. Sass you fresh. Chai! Sass speaking fresh like today bread. Omo, you too much. See this your friend makes sense so. Stop me say I be mad, I don't go down for one on street. I still package you, I be fine babe. If I handle you, Omo, you go not say I be woman. Forget all those small girls for city. We go handle you, we go off handle you, make sure say you do okay. You to go come out for your body. Yeah, come out eyeglass now. I be get criminal character. Anyway, I dey come. My guys dey fire. Make I go. This boy fine, no?
How did you find me, Kelvin? How did they find me?
The world is a small place. Remember?
No, I can't see that. Welcome. Mama, abeg bring that rice fast. And don't forget put those chicken, all those plenty chicken where they side plate. Our in-law they don't come.
Nah, in-law, I don't understand though. I don't offer you the whole two way I get for this house. When we say I fit give my rich in-law, make it take. And you dey reject everything and say my hand carry lep us. I give you monkey tail. Monkey tail.
No.
What of shepe? The original one, is very correct. Is they legit? Is they correct?
No, Mama, we don't want anything. It's okay. We're fine. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Nah, I wonder this kind everything. No. Oh, nah, talk to carry come now.
Oh, you see, despite the fact that I lost everything I have worked for, I still know very well that I have responsibility somewhere. And I had to reach out to my friend here, Ifeanyi. I pleaded with him to help me locate where the both of you live. Then when I came back, I took it upon myself to find where you live. And I found your palace. Yes.
My hair, they have you stay. You don't see us finish now. You call us see finish. Now this castle where they born this my fine pikin. So I'm can't get sense like this. The truth be saying, I don't hear your own side of the story. You be better person. You good, your mind pure like newborn baby own. Child. But you no try. Last you fuck up. You go join Yahoo. Go begin do 419. You know see your mind you know rich. They can't put inside Sanko. We suppose they sit now, they enjoy, they chop life with 32 finger, you know, they drink wine. But see us today, they suffer. For this village, you don't see us now, see where would they? And your unborn baby, they suffer, they under heat. Well, sure, nothing spoil, sure, you don't come out, you say you don't come out.
Anyways, from my fault, it was hardship. And moreover, I was misled. That was why I joined them.
Samson, what are you doing here?
Wait, now me they speak grammar giver, I don't understand. Samson, what are you doing? Now grammar be that I've been wait. So you are trying to tell me say you sabi speak grammar pass me now. I'm gonna drop lines now. Make say as they do.
Come, young man. What is wrong with you? Why will you just walk in here and start embarrassing people?
Oh, God, sit down there. Like say, no, if I know who the way they. You know me they talk to. I be they sanko before. Back to you, Abiano Junwa. So you get mine, carry my belly run away, Abi. Since I no go observe you, Abi. Since I no go find you. Let me tell you the reason why I never find you before. Be say, I know say you never born, never put to bed. I understand now. You understand? So now I don't find you come as they be. You know as they be now. I know one man now. If you feel doubt, you are free to doubt. But anybody will doubt and if you go on DNA test, you know what I'm saying? You understand now? Don't play.
Are you okay? No, Kelvin, you didn't tell me we were coming here to meet mad people now. What's all this?
Now me they come out, man. You know,
you come on, puppy.
Wait, Mama Male. If I say you don't know who the way they.
Hey.
Huh? You don't know who the way. If I say you want me to gather on here, Abi. The madam want me to gather down. See this caterpillar who na carry come now go burn her for here. Nothing they happen. Police never come here.
Sounds speaking pumpy.
Male.
What happened here now?
Because of you, if not, I for show them small.
Am I what? You want to do gara?
I for show them small movie. I for just act small action movie. Give them.
Yeah, calm down.
Male.
No verse. See the truth be say. You see this my daughter. Now 1 year this girl get mine to Ama. This girl take off from this wood. I don't know where she dey. I don't find am. BP won't kill me. I thought they would accuse Samson so that he kidnap my pikin. When I don't mind pressure on Samson can't know say the matter don't get another leg. Now I can't place, can't know where this pikin. They can't know stuff for your house when go hide. Now Samson make me come city. Can't see my pikin for your house. But the truth be say, you see this belle issue. I don't innocent. My basi, I don't know nothing they happen. I just hear for the first time. I don't understand how far. How it take waka.
I still don't. Obiano Joe or whatever. Okay, Bianca. What is going on? What is he talking about? What is who? What is he saying? Can you stop talking?
Okay, Kelvin, I can't explain.
Explain what? Stop talking.
Talk.
You can get me arrested if you want to, Kelvin. You can arrest me. I'm tired of all this lie. I don't tire. I don't tire to the lie.
Hi.
Hi. Please can you give me a lift somewhere? Actually, I've been trying to reach my cab driver, but he's not taking his calls. And my cab broke down.
Okay, alright. Hop in. Well, let me drop.
Thank you. Thank you so much for today. You really tried for me.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
Yeah. Actually, I don't like being an ingrate though. I don't have much dollars here. I would really love to appreciate you for today. So please, we can sit out for a drink or maybe lunch, if you don't mind.
Okay, if you say so.
Alright. We'll be expecting a call from you then.
Oh, definitely. I'll give you a call.
Alright then.
Right.
Bye.
Yeah, take care of yourself, okay?
Sure I will.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay.
You think you can stop me, Adi?
Sorry, I don't know any better make now. I will talk through Congo.
Now, you need to talk.
Okay. As I see the guy, I can't just they lie. Everything what they do na packaging, na packaging. I just dey package myself. Now make me and the guy self. I just dey package. So him go fit give me money now. Maybe are you for survive?
Yeah, who go survive where? I tell you say I don't want that kind of survivor. I know wetin I tell you. I'm a hustler now. Why you go sleep outside with men finish? You come back on the lie for me. You are who dey do that kind of rubbish now. If I use this thing, I want your face. I dey try like that. I no tell you wey no done.
Sorry now. See, the guy said no sleep with me or nothing. He don't even know where I dey stay. I give a wrong location. Now baby go tell am make stop me for that junction. I can't use leg, come waka, come. I still don't even know where they stay. No vex now.
I dey talk, you still dey talk sef. You still dey lie, but you still dey even dey lie. You come drop it. Okay, where I come see you. You still dey lie. You carry this thing wipe your face. Nonsense. You go sleep for men finish. You come back, come dey lie for me. Dey talk. You dey find who go kill you for this house, abi? I no go kill you. Nonsense.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, daddy.
What is this? Wetin be this? Wetin be this? You say You no dey talk again. So when you wan come tell me say you dey pregnant now?
Something, you never even tell me.
Something waiting. Why dey something me? Na so the liar take kiss something. Why you come dey something me now? You never reach time wey you wan tell me?
I go tell you. No be like say I dey keep am or I dey hide am. The thing be say you never even do like 3 or 2 minutes so I just find out.
Hope you no say you go remove am. Something waiting. I no dey something me. Na so the liar take kiss something. No dey something me.
Something. This one na like 4 times abortion.
And so what? How I wan take know say na my pikin be this now? How I wan take know? You wey dey sleep outside with different men, from here to here, hotel to hotel. Come tell me say you dey find our survivor. How I wan take know say na my pikin be this?
Samson, me and you know say this pikin na your pikin.
You and who know say?
Me and you we know like this, Samson. And you know say I no fit comot am.
Only you know that one o. Take your pregnancy and you know wetin you dey talk.
With no evidence, try every day na billings. You no send anybody. This kind life you dey live. One day or gako. Mana anything wey Bianca wants, na so she go get home. Bianca Americana. Bianca Americana. Bianca na first class achievement. Bianca Americana. Bianca Americana. Bianca Americana. Her silence go put you for trouble, oh, and she go give you double, oh, child. Bianca Americana. Bianca Americana. Bianca na first class achievement. Bianca Americana. Bianca Americana. Bianca Americana. Her silence go put you for trouble, oh, and she go give you double, oh, child.
Welcome. Yeah, welcome to my space.
Wow, this is beautiful actually.
Thank you.
It's lovely.
Thank you.
I wouldn't have spent the night at the hotel. You know, my life is at stake. Though they had securities, but that was nonsense.
I'm not surprised. Most of the hotels, all they are after is their money. Once they get their money, they don't care about your life, your welfare. Okay, so I'm not surprised.
Well, thank God I'm safe now.
Yeah. Thank God for your safety. Yeah, okay. Let me show you the room where you stay. Okay.
Sure.
All right. Can I help you? All right. You're welcome.
Na so I take waka o, na so. I come carry the belle come put her for Kevin head. That time when I see say things dey go well, I come carry am put her for him head, eh? All these things wey I dey do since now because of Samson, oh, I too love this Samson, na him cause am. But everything wey they do, he no dey do like mumu, he no even fit tell person thank you, no one wey dey appreciate. It no be my fault now, why you go tell me my fault?
Juwan. Even when you knew that the pregnancy wasn't mine, you still came into my house and turned my house upside down. Are you that wicked? Until I decided to come out with a plan to know who actually loved me more among you and Angela. But look at you. You proved yourself to me that you never had a symptom of love for me. Why? Why would you? Why did you have to do that? Why?
No prank, you be a prank me.
Just shut up your mouth.
Oh.
And for your information, do you know why I came here? I came here to look for you, thinking I'm going to be having a baby with you. But thank God, I found out the pregnancy wasn't mine. This is unbelievable.
Hey! I don't finish. Oh! Chef, don't come on me for this wood. Oh, Denuju! Oh, that's what I do you. That is how I take care of you. Oh, Denuju. That's what I do you. Come carry potty. Carry cover my face. Oh, Denuju, that's how I take care of you. No, I'm poor. I'm not thief. I'm poor. Yes, I'm poor, but I'm not commit crime. Hey. Ujunwa, my baby. You know, sir, I love you so much. I used because of you, I quit street work where they give me small moolah. Because of the love I get for you. I can't start small business, they train me, they grow small. They can't leave me, can't they walk out from place to place. I wanted you to change, to be a good life, to have a good life, but look at now. You know, see what you don't cause kasala. Everywhere don't boss. Say didn't see. I don't want you, you know, agree. Now I don't boss.
Well,
sorry. I'm very sorry now.
Bianca. Sincerely, let me just drop my own piece of advice. See, I just advise you to turn a new leaf. For real. You see, this is one thing with you girls. Just live your true life. Live your true life. And your helper will just come your way. It's that simple. What's all this fake life all about?
Mama, thank you very much.
See, let me tell you, may nothing no happen to my bikini. You understand now? Or else, we'll turn you upside down. Don't play.
Odenuju, now what did I do you? Odenuju, see as you bring my leg outside, Odenuju, what did I do you? See what the fake life don't do you, Odenuju, see the fake life! When I kill you, make you die! What the fake life don't do you?
I'm sorry, now I realize.
Man, this is a very big mess. See, for real, I won't be missing out words if I say that this girl is sent from the Marine Kingdom to ruin you. Yes, because she has succeeded in distracting you for months. Come on. You see that girl, Bianca? She's a she-devil. See, the only thing I just want to do now and be happy is to make peace with Angela. I want to be at peace with her.
No, for real, you're right though. You need to be at peace with Angela.
Do you know why I say you're right? Because Angela is the only one who genuinely cared for you. No, for real. Do you know that during the prank, she came to me crying, for me to help you. Bro, now I understand the saying. You don't know the value of what you have, what is in your possession, until you finally lose it. My prayer now is, I hope I have not lost a precious gem in search of my mother.
Well, you shall know what to do. Just do the needful. Just do the needful, bro.
Yeah.
That's what you should do.
I will.
Adam.
Mama.
My daughter. Now that this whole thing has turned out like this, so how are you going to start?
I've learnt my lesson, sadly. I'll go back to school and I'll make sure I become a better woman.
My daughter, that is a very good idea. I support you. But first, you have to put yourself together. You have to truly overcome all this whole thing and put them behind you and forge ahead. Okay?
Okay, Mama.
I support you. Put yourself together and come back to your business.
Mama, you're doing very well with the shop.
Okay, if you say so. My daughter, I am your mother. I cannot kneel down for you.
Why?
Forgive.
It's okay.
All the actions, the words, I am not saying...
Mama, stop. I should be the one apologizing to you for getting pregnant before marriage. It's not also very advisable. That's not good on my own part. I am sorry, Mama. You know I've always wanted to make you proud. But give me this second chance and watch me make you proud.
Take. Chances are yours.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, my daughter.
Thank you. I love you so much.
I love you.
Yeah. What do I have here?
Hey! Jesus, Father, you don't go out, body. You
want to fall me?
I cannot carry you again. What is happening?
Have you been carrying me before?
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
We will not
Jesus. Wow, this is beautiful. Yeah. This is beautiful. Oga, I can't lie. I miss you so much.
Are you serious?
I miss you.
Yeah, I miss you, but you're trouble.
Welcome, sir.
Right.
You know, I cannot carry you again because there is no food. After the whole day. Yes.
Don't worry.
I believe now that we.
Of course, everything's available for you.
Thank you, sir.
Whatever you want is available.
I trust you.
We're here together.
Enter together, you know. I saw you today.
How are you?
I'm fine. No, thank you for that. You know. Let's have it more. Let's have it.
Huh? Is that what?
No, I'm not sorry. Thank you. Something to father inside the booth. Huh?
Mama, Mama. Mama, oh.
Idiot! Get out of my house! Get out! Stupid boy. Just be happy that I pour you cold water. Next time I will see you in my house, in this compound, I will pour you hot water. I mean boiled one. This is promo.
Mama, please. I deserve even more than this. Okay? For what but please. I'm not angry. Yeah, you can even do more than this to me. Please, I just want you to hear me out. Give me even if it's a minute. Let me talk to you, please. Jesus.
Did I hear you say talk to me? Talk to me. It's a lie. You cannot talk to me. You will not talk to me. You are evil. Listen, the charm you use on my daughter, her eyes has cleared. So I don't want to see you anywhere close to my house. Leave. Get out of my compound. Get out! Get out of my compound. Get out!
Mama, you should have allowed me to see him with my 2 eyes. You should have called me from the shop. Let me see that stupid, useless boy. Let me look him in the eyes.
My daughter.
I would have finished him today. Useless boy, you idiot.
No need. You don't have to bother yourself. I am around and he met me well. So that message you're supposed to give him, I delivered it perfectly. That is in a bunch, in a huge way. So you don't have to worry.
But sister, that man is very wicked though. Look at how rich he's looking and he allowed you go through all that stress.
Don't blame him. You have to blame me for everything. The truth is, no one forced me to love him. He never forced me to love him. I am the one that stupidly uselessly, foolishly loved a man who doesn't give a hoot about my feelings. Manaya deba, love my daughter. No, don't say that. Love is good. Love is beautiful. Especially when you have the right person. But now, you met the stupid person. The person that are not supposed to have anything to do with you. So, don't say that. Okay? Leave that stupid boy to go.
Sister, don't worry. God will give you a better man.
God forbid. Biko, I beg you in the name of God, don't pray this type of prayer for me. If you want to pray any prayer for me, it should be God bless her financially, physically. Let me have the money to further my education. Love me, give me a better man. I don't want to have anything to do with any man again. My priority now is to go to school and become a better woman. Love about work. You will marry. You will marry. Yeah, you will go to school. You will get money. But you see marriage, you will marry and give me grandchildren. Both of you. You will marry and give me grandchildren. She will marry and give me grandchildren. No, don't talk that one.
Mama, don't worry. I understand. She's talking out of pain.
No problem. I understand. I do.
Oh, sorry, bro. So you're not expecting it to be this easy. I mean, she lost her pregnancy because of what she's gone through in your home. You didn't treat her right, bro. You didn't.
Yeah. Man, fine. You're not a stranger in my home, like a brother. You're not far from the truth. Okay? But the truth of the matter is, I regret all my actions. Now I understand the meaning of karma is a bitch. Karma is real. And that word is Bianca in my life. Bianca is that karma. Yeah, I know I treated Angela so badly. I should have listened to you when you told me to set her up, give her money for business, rent a place for her. Now, I won't be regretting our days.
Okay, so what do you plan on doing now? Like, what's your plan? Because if you ask me, I'll suggest you go see her with some of your elders. Yeah, because I'm sure if she sees that you came around with your elders, she'll be forced to listen to you.
Oh, yes, but at the same time, I wouldn't want my elders to be embarrassed, okay? So I'll prefer I go alone or go with probably like one person to see if she will listen to my plea. Okay, by the time she calmed down or something, I can now go with my elders and it makes it better to avoid insults and disgrace.
In that case, maybe I should go with you.
Wow.
Anyhow, I think I should just go with you.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Yeah, but
you're indeed a true friend, a good friend.
But to be sincere, to call a speed, you didn't treat her right.
Of course.
And I don't even blame her. I mean, for these actions that she has, taken towards you.
I regret my actions.
You should.
Anyways, let's drink out.
And about your proposal, I got you covered.
Wow.
Yeah. My guy you be now, so it's nothing.
Indeed a true friend. All right.
Sister, you've made a very good decision. Why are you still moody?
Listen, I'm just thinking about my life. How to bring my life together because everything is scattered.
Honestly, sister, I've learned a lot from your story.
You see, I equally learned a lot from this my experience. It's very pathetic, but at the same time educative. See, if I see love here now, I will take this place. My experience has taught me that words without actions are rubbish. Don't even believe any man that says, I love you, I love you, I love you, without showing it. And as a girl, before you even think of love or marriage, make sure you have something ongoing for yourself. Make sure there is something you are bringing to the table so that you will have your respect, even if you eventually marry a billionaire. But if you are struggling, and you don't have anything, if they see somebody they feel that is better than you, maybe more educated, somebody that have money or swag, the way they will trash you like dustbin, you will not know. It is well. All I need to do now, like I've been saying, is I will keep on with my business, further my education, and I will be a great woman. No
problem, sister. I was actually cooking.
No problem. You can go and continue as well.
Okay.
What do you go for, God? No problem. I will rise.
This young woman. Why are you always coming to my compound to disturb me? What have I done to you?
Please. You have every right to beat me, to hate me. But I'm begging you, please. Help me talk to your daughter. I need her forgiveness.
I will do no such. I will not try it! After all, I am not the one you offended. So why should I?
No, please. Please just help me talk to her.
Get out!
At least we can talk it out.
I say get out of my compound!
Mama, please.
Get out! Get out before I do something that I will regret. Get out! Leave my compound! Leave at once, idiot! Heartless human being! You are very wicked!
You know it's not good for your health. You still have a day go, please.
Your sister shouldn't have given this wicked and heartless boy audience. Why should she? Why?
But Mama, I think her eyes are clear and open now.
Her eyes are clear. No problem. We all are going to sit to see the end of this. Please, let's go. I'm hungry. By the way, when are you going back to school? Because this is how your sister started. All these village boys. They all know that you are around now. Look at me. When are you going back to school?
Mama, I am waiting for Obina to come back so that we can go together. Besides, I still have 2 weeks to stay.
2 weeks? In this village? 2 weeks? Angela. What is it? Angela, you claim you have moved on. But I am not seeing the sign of it. Are you sure you are not locked up with the past?
Mama, don't worry yourself. I'm trying. Audio one easy, but I'm trying.
Angela, talk to me. Do you want to accept Kevin's speed?
God forbid. God forbid, Mama. How can you, of all people, ask such question after everything he did to me? After treating me that way? No, Chukwuaju.
All right. I just want you to be fine. Okay?
Thank you, Mama. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I'm doing everything to make sure that I'm strong for myself. You don't have to worry. I'm the one carrying the cross, and as a matter of fact, I've been trying my best. So.
My daughter, You know I'm your mother. And I love you so much. Remember, you have a family. We are your family. We love you. We so much care about you. Please. Don't worry. You will be fine. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You're hurting me the more, please. Sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Stop. Stop. It's okay. Hey. What is it?
Mama, I'm sad about what sister is going through. Because of this now, our needs are not met. Unlike her, she would have done shopping for me to go back to school.
It's okay. It's okay, my daughter. It's just a phase in life. We will all pass through it. You see this stage, it will surely come to pass. That is why I'm managing her shop. So that we will not suffer so much. Okay?
Mama, it's not easy. I'm even thinking about my school fees, my feeding money and the rest. I don't know.
Don't worry. Everything is going to be taken care of. Trust me, before you go back to school, I will get you all those things you need.
Mama, are you serious?
Yes, I will. Including your brother's welfare.
Mama, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. So, are you happy now?
Yes, Mama.
Are you happy? Don't worry. I'll get those things, okay?
Okay, Mama.
So, let me go and see Nkechi at the shop and see how she's managing.
Okay, Mama.
Okay? I left some food in the kitchen. When you're done, make yourself happy. Okay?
Mama.
Oh.
Now I can eat.
Oga, you do this one, oh, eh? Oga, you do this one. Madam 1, don't go. Madam 2, you send them away, eh? Who go come dey cook for person for this house? Eh? See me now. When I come this house, I was very big enough. But look at me now. Even my security uniform now, eh? Yeah? It's oversized. Oversized. Hey! What's in the smoke? Make it not be say this boy don't dey smoke you, eh? No. No, this is not you. Boy, this you? This? No, it can't be. It can't be. Let me confirm. Hey! So that put something for fire. Jesus! No. Fire! Oh! Fire! Something is burning in the kitchen. Fire! There is fire. Oh, Jesus. Which one? Fire, sir. Fire! Hey! Jesus, waiting my oga dey think. Oh no. It's gone. Sorry, sir. Should I get you a cup of water to flush it down?
No, I'm fine. I'm alright. My bad. I put something on the fire and I slept off.
Hi, I noticed it. You are good, sir. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for saving me, okay?
Let me go back to
Yes,
Well,
you can go back to your duty post.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, it's okay.
It's all right.
God. God, please help me. I understand Kelvin here has really messed up. But obviously he has learnt his lessons.
Yes.
So please, Angela, I want you to find a way to forgive him and take him back.
If not for you, I would have gone inside house and make sure I bath Kelvin with very hot water. But because of you, I will keep my cool. So it took that stupid Bianca, that nonsense, useless Abino, for you to realize that you are sorry. Oh, you did not treat me well. Oh, you want to make amends. Is that how clueless you could be? Is that how heartless you can be?
Angela, see, please. I know you're still very angry, okay? You have every right to do whatsoever you want to do to me, but please, I am begging you from the depth of my heart. I apologize. I'm saying sorry. See, now I realize you're my true love. You're the only one who loved me genuinely, please. Okay, see, we had to put up that prank about the EFCC arresting me to be able to get rid of Bianca and her mother because they were constituting nuisance in my house. So please.
You are a very selfish person. You are extremely selfish. As a matter of fact, you are more heartless than I thought. So you traveled. I waited for you for 4 good years. To you is not enough to prove that I love you. You need to get another woman, marry her, get her pregnant, then chase her away after she has started misbehaving for you to know that you love me. You are a liar. In this process, I lost my child. And you think I will ever forgive you? Is that what you think?
I'm
sorry for your stupid self.
Yes, you have every right. In short, even if you slap me now, but please don't slap me, I will still understand. Okay? Because I deserve it. See, all those people, they deceived me. Yes. In short, to an extent, you were even telling me that it was juju. Yes, because the normal me that I will not fall that cheap.
It was juju when you came back, you refused to pay my bride price. When I spoke to you about my bride price, what did you say? You want to get established first. You want to arrange. You don't want me to suffer. So you did not wait to get established before getting married and getting her pregnant.
That is why I said something was involved.
That
was why I said something.
Shut up your mouth. You want to buy the whole village before you come to marry her. Or where? Kevin, or whatever your name is. You have heard her. I know that you don't have the interest of marrying my daughter. Because if you do, you would have done that immediately you return to this village. So, you've heard her.
Mama, don't bother yourself. Bia. Kelvin, Koni Iberibe, I don't know what your name is. Leave my father's compound immediately. I don't want to change it for you. Leave. I am not interested. Yes, I've forgiven you. But you see us, that word us. There is no us again. I will never love you. I am no longer in love with you. And I will never want you back. So leave.
I can't live without you.
Stop, please. Hey! Don't you get that? What can you say? Una because
like us, I'm tired. Let me just go back to school and work on my self-awareness. Because you my self-esteem, you destroyed my self-esteem. That is the most important thing now. Let me go back to school, work on myself and boost my work. Bam! And I said forgiveness.
I'm sorry, now I realize my mistake. I've hurt you, I know that words are not enough. Oh, you've been there when no one was there. You fought for me when everyone ran away. Oh baby, oh, one around me, my sin. Oh, I'm sorry for everything I did to you. I'm sorry for for every heart I've given to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Take me back for love. I'm sorry, now I realize my mistake. I've hurt you, I know that words are not enough. Oh, you've been there when no one was there. You fought for me when everyone ran away. Oh baby, oh, one around me, my sin. Oh, I'm sorry for everything I did to you. I'm sorry for every heart I've broken to you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Take me back for love.
Seriously, bro, I don't even know what is wrong with you. Come on. Other people drink at night, but you drink all day. Just see how drunk you are. Come on now.
Me and you now. Who is drunk? Huh? Who is drunk? Tell me who is drunk now. Come. Why did you even bring me home? Huh? Enemy of progress.
Just look at you.
Enemy of progress.
No, can you see how messed up you are? Can you just take a look at yourself?
Yeah.
Well, the thing is, I think I have a meeting now, so just try and catch some sleep. And maybe I'll get you something to eat on my way back. Hey bro, try and get some sleep, please. You messed up, bro. Get some sleep. Not on the floor. Come on. Oh my god. In fact, anyhow, I'm leaving.
Thomas!
Now, please, keep an eye on your boss. If anything comes up, please don't hesitate to call me. I have a very important meeting to attend now, so if anything comes up, please don't hesitate to call me.
Okay.
Did you get that?
Yeah, I got it.
Very good.
Yeah, I got that.
Now.
I got that, right? I got it. Yeah. This Oga friend, they try for a better person, no? Hi. Yes, I got that. You are a better person. But what if they even they worry of yourself? Eh? This is the time you should act like a man. You know, become the para for me. Act like a man, you are acting like Tata. Eh? But wait, Oga, please. Please, don't die. Please. Please, don't die. My salary is very important. But if there is a mistake, you are planning to die, like you wanted to die, pay me offhand, please. If not 10 months, let me stay here and be guiding your compound.
You know, the mistake has been done. And I'm very, very sure you've learned from your mistake. But you're not doing yourself any good punishing yourself like this. Hey, I'm not
punishing myself. I'm fine, I'm
You're
alright.
not fine, Kevin. You are not. You're clearly not. I mean, if you are, you would not be drinking yourself to stupor. So it's obvious you're not.
Yes, it's me. I know you're surprised. The truth is, I've decided to start up something new for myself. Before your friend Ifan paid me a visit severally, pleading that I forgive and accept your apology. After a deep thought, I decided to give our love another chance, believing that you will be that man I have always wished for, believing that you make me feel like a woman and make me feel loved. That's why I'm here.
Dila, you will never regret this decision. I will make it up to you. Please. Okay? Trust me, believe me. I will never let you down again.
It's okay. Stand up. I missed you.
God! Thank you. Thank you, bro. Thank you, made this happen.
Angela.
Yes.
I must really thank you for giving this man a chance and listening to me.
I should be the one thanking you for being a good friend to him.
Thank you once more.
I appreciate it.
So, when is the wedding date?
Tomorrow. It's supposed to
Say go put you for trouble, oh. She go give you double, oh. Try, everybody say, chess, how wahala no be here, she define trouble, oh. Speaking big grammar, her papa there for Yankee. Her matter no dey gree to talk, if you complain, I'm on a one chance. Anything we Bianca wants, now so you go give. Oh, oh. Bianca Americana, Bianca first class ajibo. Bianca Americana, her selling say go put you for trouble, oh. She go give you double, oh. Try, daughter of billionaire with no evidence. Try. Every day na billings, you no send anybody. This kind life you dey live, one day or a crack. Mana, anything we Bianca wants, na so she go get. Oh, Bianca Americana, Bianca na first class ajibo. Bianca Americana, her selling say go put you for trouble, oh. She go give you double, oh. Try, Bianca Americana, Bianca na first class ajibo. Bianca Americana, her selling say go